I'm ready for peace. Yes, I'm ready for peace. I don't know I enjoy this quarrel, by the way. But if she's ready for peace, that's what we need to know. If she's really ready for peace. Because whatever energy she gives me, that is what I'm going to return. So you ask her if she's ready for peace.
I will kill you! I'll kill myself!
What are you doing?
Mom, do not tell me to calm down. No one has the right to talk to me!
That's a gun. You cannot reach me. Kaima!
Aura for aura, right?
Kaima, please. Drop the gun. No. Kaima.
Father, this fool ruined my relationship. And you expect me to calm down? This is the calmest I will ever be. I will kill him. Mother, don't come close to me. Don't come close to me.
Kaima, please.
Steve just broke the engagement with me, Father. I'll kill him and kill myself.
Sorry about that. That's a gun. Sorry about that.
I can't take this.
About you before you came out. Drop the gun. That is risky. Kaima, that's a gun.
Ogini kana zozio Gini kana nologo Oh yeah Kedozi fana sonu Obu gini kana nologo Oh yeah You should be brother and sister, not enemies. Stop the fighting and the show of power. No profu manogini nese. Why can't a bro Guinea kana no logo?
See you already relaxed over your trip. So tell me.
Oh my god, it was fun. Like, I wish you were there with me.
Oh, any catch so far?
I know you asked
Of
me.
course, I will always ask. Amara, where's the wine and the wine glass I asked you to get?
The prince said I should not take any wine, and he locked up the freezer and took the keys.
Excuse you? What do you mean he locked up the refrigerator? What's going on here? I don't get it.
He stopped me.
What nonsense! How dare he?
It's okay, it's okay.
Do not tell me it's...
looking for this. Well, that privilege is no longer allowed to go to the fridge anytime you like to lavish drinks. You see, right now I cannot tolerate lavishing things like it wasn't bought with money. The other day you came with your friends, a lot of them. All the drinks I bought, you finished it and littered the bottles around, leaving it for your mates. For who exactly to clean it up? So today I say no to it.
Okay, that's fine, Arinze. You get to keep the refrigerator keys, and I get to keep your car keys. Tit for tat. No. It's okay. I mean, he's not blind.
aware that is my car keys?
Well, are you aware that is the general refrigerator keys? How dare you, Arinze? How dare you?
How many keys?
Says who?
How many car keys?
Says who?
Please just give
Come
it
and
to
take
me.
it.
Give me the car
Don't
keys.
tell me that. Come and take
It's
it.
okay.
Get me the car keys.
Come and take it.
It's okay, please.
Come on, get me.
Did you just touch my friend?
Who the hell are you?
What's the
Give me
meaning?
the car keys now.
What is going on?
Give me that key.
Meaning what, Arinze?
Give me that key.
Mom, can you imagine? What is going on here? Mom, can you just imagine this? Mom, look at my friend. I'm supposed to give her some refreshment. And Arinze here had the brilliant idea to lock up the refrigerator. Can't you see her friend?
Because this fool here, the other day, the drinks I bought, she came with her friends, a lot of them. First of all, this is a palace and not some clubhouse. She lavished the whole drinks that I kept in the refrigerator.
But these particular drinks, I bought them myself.
But I bought the previous one that she lavished.
Well, how is it my fault that some people are so lonely and they don't have friends? Why is it my fault? Get your friends to come drink it, that's the problem.
Give me the key now!
Very funny! Okay. Very funny, Arinze.
Let me handle it. Please. Arinze. I want to handle it. It's okay. Let me handle it. Arinze.
Mom, there's no need to beg him. Let him keep the keys. He won't go out today. It's as simple as that.
I said, let me handle it. Oh. It's okay. Let me have the key. I'm talking to you.
You could have just stayed here. I mean, watch how she will stop me from going out.
Oh, please. Not when it's inside my breast. Perhaps you put your hand inside my breast and take it. Very funny.
So you think I can...
You will not dare it! Because that's a sacrilege. You will not try it. Touch me and see. I will shout rape. And you will have your head in this kingdom.
Please, please, please. Please, give me the keys. Give it to me. I said, let me handle it. I am here. Respect your mother. Please. Try it. Give me the key. Son. Please.
Savior is mother.
Yes, yes. Please. Let me have the key.
Because I have respect for her.
Respect indeed.
Give me the key. It's okay. Give this to me.
I wasn't going out after all.
Kaima. Kaima, can I have the key?
Mom.
Give it to me.
Fine.
It's okay.
Petty. Pettiness, is that you? Oh my God. Oh. Mom, what did I do? I was just sitting there with my friend. We're having a very civil conversation. And he came here and disrespected. Look at, he pushed my friend. She almost lost her life in the process.
Okay.
Well, I assembled you all to address a really pressing need. I mean, I've thought about it countless times. And I feel the need to say this to you right now. Because, of course, I took action already. I noticed you all have been with the same uniform over the years. And I felt it was time we changed that. I mean, you all need something to change into at times. So, I took the initiative and invited a seamstress to take your measurements. It's time this changes. Yes. I know you all are not here. Some are in the kitchen doing the dishes, the other in the chambers trying to arrange everything, and the other guards are not here. I will need you to send word to them. Tell them that as soon as the seamstress comes, they should make themselves available for their measurements to be taken. I do not want to hear, oh, my princess, I was washing when the seamstress came. Please make yourselves available because she'll be here shortly, okay? Tell the others to be ready. Take your measurements because I want it to truly fit you, okay? Don't worry, you like the new uniform, I promise, okay?
Thank you, my princess.
You're welcome. You can go back to your duties. When she comes, I'll let you know.
Dad, I don't understand. You guys are taking this lightly. That she will wake up one day and decide to change the uniforms of the maid and the palace guard. For what reason? For what reason? She has no right to change the uniforms of the guard and the palace maid. For what reason?
And why won't I make that decision?
Because you have no right to do it.
Of course I do, because you do not even have an idea on choosing fabrics.
You have no right
of course,
whatsoever to do
I do have the right as a woman. Since when do you have an idea on choosing fabrics?
Then you allow mom to do it. That's why she's here as the queen of this
God.
kingdom.
Arinze, either mom or I is the same thing.
You're not supposed to do it. You have no right to do it. You're not trying to be bossy like you're the one calling the shots.
Because I do, Arinze.
Because you what?
I do. I take charge of father's company. I also take charge here at home. What do you do?
You're a fool. You understand? You're a fool at 20. Rubbish.
Oh, God. You're just a boy. I mean, Father, is this the person you want to take after you?
You say what?
Yes, I said
Mom,
what
wait,
I
you just
said.
kept quiet.
I said
saying
what I
nothing.
said.
Say, Arinze, what do you have me say? I see nothing wrong in her decision. So make new uniform is not a big deal.
You see nothing
Just that
wrong
you
with
people
that.
always like to make trouble out of nothing.
You see nothing wrong with that.
There is nothing wrong with it, Commissioner of Women
You think-
Affairs.
It is enough.
Why do you people love to argue and argue over nothing?
Over nothing.
So you shut up. It's something. Because I know what she's trying to do. She's trying to make us look like she's calling the shot. Why I'm
Because
nothing.
I
can't
actually
control
do.
Truth be told, it is not a bad idea.
You see no reason, Father. You see no reason, Father. That's what you have to say. You see no reason. You see no reason. I say that you guys are taking sides.
You see what I just said? He keeps acting like a boy. A little boy. You should just go back to high school instead.
Ebube.
Yes, my brother.
See, this one, the prince has threatened us about the measurement. What do you think?
I don't know. I'm confused as well.
Well, I just pray he doesn't come back on time so that the tailor will be here and give us our measurement, because I really love this new development. Aren't you tired of this outfit?
I am. Well, whatever. I just don't want any problem. I just don't want any problem.
What do you mean by you don't want any problem? You're always scared. See, this new development, it's the best.
We all know that it's the best. But we can't afford to bring problem into this palace or have anything that will cause us any problem here. So please, let's forget about this.
It's okay. Telling you something is like a waste
I
of
understand.
time.
Just forget about it,
Telling
okay?
you something is like waste of time.
No
Just forget.
problem, no problem. It's okay.
Good morning, my princess.
You're welcome. Come with me.
Thank you, my princess.
Come with you to where? Stand there.
Arinze, what's the meaning of this?
Who are you?
Why are you asking her?
I said, who are you?
Why are
deaf?
you talking to her?
I wasn't talking to you.
Well, she's my guest. Indirectly, you're speaking to me.
Who are you?
Do not ask her that question, Arinze.
I guess you are the tailor girl.
So what? Is there a problem? Let's go. Come.
If you move an inch, if you dare move an inch,
Arinze,
I'll reset your memory.
do not start what you cannot finish. Stop
If
this
you know
nonsense.
what is good for you, turn your back and leave this
Why
palace
will
now.
she do that?
I don't ever want to see you here.
Arinze, do not dare me. Stay there. What is wrong? Arinze, what's the meaning of this?
This is just
Really? You think because you're a little boy, you can just throw yourself around? Arinze! Where is she? Mom!
Mom, what is it? I called you here to give you a piece of advice, my daughter. Please, I want you to let go of that uniform of 18 if it's causing more problem in this palace. Please,
I
let
don't
it slide.
understand you, Mom. Is it because he's a man and I'm a woman? What is this, Mom?
That's not what I'm saying.
No, that's what you're saying. Is this the generation of men we're raising these days? Is this what you want, Mom? What is so wrong with me getting the maids and the guards a new uniform?
There is nothing wrong with it.
But you're not saying it.
But your brother is not saying it from that aspect.
Mom, you keep talking about my brother like he is God. What is this, Mom? The maids and the guards have been using the same uniform over the years. And I thought it wise to change it. That's the right thing to do. Why don't you talk to my brother instead? Why are you talking to me?
Chikaima, you are a woman.
There she goes again.
Yes. It's my duty to advise you because tomorrow you will get married.
Mother,
Yes.
my brother will also get married. And I'm sure you will agree and sit down, watch him treat his wife unknowingly. Then you say, no, he's a man. The woman should just take it. Mother, please. Listen, the guards and the maids will get a uniform, a new uniform. And that's fine now. Nothing can change it. If you want to talk to anyone, talk to Arinze and not me.
So I cannot talk
Mom,
to
please do not blackmail me emotionally.
Gini kana zozio, gini kana nolok. Oh yeah.
Now, wow. So the king let us succumb to the pressure. This clothes that I'm planning to change since, so it will not work again. Ha!
But
This agreement is really getting out of hand. Eh?
Seriously, these people like arguing about things that doesn't matter. Every small thing, they will just argue about it. Seriously, I'm tired of them in this palace. I'm so
You know,
tired.
sometimes I even think the prince is personally intimidating that princess.
No, don't judge it that way. Because the princess also opposes his own ideas sometimes. So what are you saying?
Can you imagine? See, you see this palace? I'm tired of them. Everything about this palace, I'm so sick and tired of it. Do you know, they're supposed to name this palace Palace of War. Because every small thing, there's never a time of peace in this palace. Fiakwa.
So tired. Now this uniform on they pay me self personally. Like,
Hi, my dear. I'm going to continue with what I was doing, eh? So if you people like, stay here and gossip your life out, eh? Bye.
Like, I'm just tired. If people like, they should change the clothes. If they like, they should not change it. You see me? I am tired and I'm getting ready to quit. I'll just quit and leave this place and go and get married.
oh yeah, no. Marriage.
Are you not going to marry? Or some marriage? See, I'm tired of this palace, to be honest.
What is the meaning of that? The princess almost killed her brother.
What was that for? The prince and the princess are scaring me.
Wait, had it been the prince stood there, she would hate him.
Whatever they want to do with themselves is none of my business.
Why are you talking like this? You are inside the palace.
See, let me tell you, I am here to work, and that is what I am going to do. Please.
You see the problem I have with you? Whenever I'm having something very important conversation with you, you always spoil it.
I have told you my own. I am only here for work. Please.
Just go.
Be on my position.
Whenever I'm talking, you always spoil it. I don't know why I'm always talking to you.
It's okay. It's okay.
It's my fault.
It's okay. It's okay.
Husband, I am getting so worried concerning this our children's attitude towards each other. Every time argument. Quarrel. What is all this?
I think it's normal. They are siblings and they are bound to have misunderstandings here and there.
And you are saying we should overlook them till they hurt each other?
I haven't said so. Maybe because they grew up together and they do not have siblings after that.
Never can tell. One day they might just fight and injure each other. You cannot compare strength of a man and a woman. Arize is a man. One day he might just get angry and injure this girl. We have to put a stop to this.
Is he mad? Arize hit his elder sister. But you know he doesn't do that to any woman. You think he cannot do it to his own sister? It's not possible.
I think they can put a stop. If there's any way we can put a stop to this, this constant argument is getting out of hand.
As far as I'm concerned, I'm not really worried about it because there is an obvious time that this separation will come. Kaima will definitely get married. She will leave his kingdom. Narize will become the king of his great kingdom. Naturally, the separation would have happened. Don't worry yourself. Get me a glass of juice, please.
Wow, Dad, this is truly beautiful. I mean, the warehouse has grown really big.
Yes, this is why I want you and your brother to join hands together so we can move forward.
How, Father?
Same question I wanted to ask.
Okay, I want to make Arize the general manager.
Wow.
And then Kaima becomes the supervisor. She'll be in charge of payments.
Then why am I the manager?
I made you the manager with a higher responsibility. I made your sister the supervisor. That makes your position and responsibility supersedes that of your sister. She's only just going to be, making payments to the staff, that's all.
So that means I'm not trusted. That's what it means.
Oh no. Why would you think like that?
Dad, why are you trying to sugarcoat it? It's simple. Tell him the truth. He is not fit to handle funds.
So it's by someone that's been handling the funds in my account? Who the hell are you to tell me that I can't handle funds?
Blah, 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 blah. Will you stop ranting? It's pretty obvious. You cannot handle funds. I mean, you can as well even cheat the workers. Who knows?
Dad, if truly you want her to handle the money department, then you can as well make her the manager.
Exactly. First time you've ever said anything brilliant in your life. Dad, I concur. Yes, I will handle everything.
Arinze, all that it is to it is, all monies come to my account. I will only transfer that relates to the staff, to you. And you pay the staff. That's all. There's no big deal about it.
Arinze, please. Do not create sin out of this issue. Please.
I'm creating unnecessary sin, you say? I am creating unnecessary sin, you say?
Yeah.
It's fine. I'll just be in my bedroom. Be in my room.
Arinze, come back here.
Mom.
Arinze, come back.
Mom, just let him go. He's a boy and it's obvious he cannot handle the company funds. You don't have to deal with him. Please do not overexert yourself. Come on, he's a boy and it's obvious he cannot handle anything. Well, how will he grow if you keep petting him? This is super great, Mom. I get to be the manager.
Come on, please.
Mom, I know you're happy for me. You're just pretending. Manager, supervisor, all in one, all glory.
Father, this is not fair. This is completely unacceptable. How can you entrust Kaima to handle the money department in a company where I'm the manager?
It was actually meant to reduce your workload. Your sister is the supervisor.
Really?
And she's my daughter.
Really? So why did you make me the manager in the first place? Why?
Calm down. You need to take things easy. One problem is you often take things too seriously and out of context.
It's fine. I just want to let you know that I'm not interested anymore. I'm not interested in that position anymore. Kaima can have it.
That means you're leaving everything to your sister.
It's fine. I don't care.
She will take over everything. And that will make things worse. And by the time you come back, you won't be able to meet her.
But it's okay. She can handle the money department. She can. She can just handle it.
Arinze, I want you to always remind yourself that you are the man. And your sister, at one time or the other, will show that she is a woman. Besides, you are the crown prince. You're going to be the king after me. You will not live together all your lives. Please, I need you to understand.
Choma, you're in charge of dinner, right? I'll need you to make it really spicy. I mean, the king complained the last time.
What's going on? I just went to the kitchen. You guys haven't started cooking?
As I was saying, will you shut your mouth while I'm still talking? As I was saying, make sure the meal is spicy. And, add the other varieties to make sure there's a great...
I am talking to... What's that supposed to mean?
Of course, I'm the princess of this kingdom and I have my rights. Don't talk to me like that.
Go to the kitchen now.
Choma, will you stay there? If you move, you're dead. Stand there while I'm talking.
I said go to the kitchen now.
If you move, you're dead. I'm talking and you're moving. Are you stupid? What? I said stand. What the hell is wrong with you? Why are you threatening her?
I'll slap you if you don't leave my
Try it. Try it.
Get out.
You get out.
Get out.
You get out.
I said stand there. Don't even dare move.
Just bear in mind that you're fired.
Says who exactly? Who are you to fire her? This is my department, not yours, so get out.
What would you do?
Can you imagine? He nearly slapped me just because of food. Maybe that they will be treating someone as if we are trash. Not because of my family, I will not be here.
What is it? Why are you here, mommy? Eh?
It's not the prince and the princess.
What about them now?
Can you imagine? I was in the parlor with the princess, discussing how to make dinner. And she said she want the food very spicy. Then the prince came in. He insisted I should go inside the kitchen and make him pounded yam. Then the next thing, he nearly wanted to slap the living daylight out of my face. Not the princess. Like, I don't even know how I'll be looking now. Treating someone as if we are fools.
Is that the reason why you're here crying? Eh? You've not seen anything yet. That one is even small. Have you not seen a situation whereby you're done working on something and one of them walk up to you and tell you to start all over again? They like to oppress each other's power. Have you not seen something like that?
To be honest, this is so frustrating. Like, I feel like quitting already.
Close your mouth. What do you mean you want to quit? What do you mean by you want to quit? Eh? Do you have another job out there? Eh? I'm asking you, Chioma. Look, let me tell you. Avoid them, or just do the one you know you can do and leave the rest for God. That's all I have to tell you. Please.
To be honest, if not that he's a prince, I will slap the living hell out of his face.
Honestly, you're asking for a death wish. Are you serious? See, my darling. Go inside and go and prepare the nice food now. They told you to make it spicy, Abby. Me, I'm hungry, oh. You can see I'm not the princess. I'm hungry, baby.
Okay? Who is the princess? You. I can see you are mad. Is it up to an hour that I ate? And you want me to maga can't see, eh?
Look.
And leave us one night.
You guys are very clown, seriously. So you guys have not stopped this your argument since secondary school days?
No, because she's always thinking that she can intimidate me at every given time, a woman. And nobody got time for that. I will keep... In fact, she hasn't seen anything yet.
Guys,
rubbish.
You need to calm down. You need to calm down. She's a woman. And they are always like that, especially when they are older than you.
Shut up. What kind of stupid talk is that? What kind of... Who told you she's older than me? Is that what you're told? That we are twins and according to what she said, though, she came out before me, which she was not even there. But is that why she'll be intimidating me at every given time?
Well, you see,
anything I say is countered because of what reason?
You see, the same way you feel that she's intimidating because she's a woman or she's your elder sister, it's the same way she's the feeling that you are intimidating her because you are a man.
I leave that thing. What do you mean? Of course. Do you know what the annoying part is? That maybe we'll be having a family meeting now, looking for how to sort an important situation, and I will bring up an idea, and she will know that that idea is the right thing to do, but she will never accept it. She will counter it because it's coming from me, not minding that I'm the heir apparent to the throne. I'm a man. Of course, I should have respect. I should be acknowledged. But no, from her, she can never do such a thing because she's a woman. Women are meant to be blah 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 blah. I don't have time for that bullshit. Leave her. She knows what she's doing. She knows what she's doing.
To me, I feel sometimes you should just ignore her. You know, just let things go. It doesn't matter.
She should be the one to ignore me and let things go.
God, now you be man. Why they behave like this now?
It's been 5 years since our late king joined his ancestors. And his son, Obiora, had refused to come back home and take over his father's throne. Oh no, we need to do something, no? We can't continue staying in this very kingdom without a leader or without a king. Icheibe, I am so worried as you are. As a matter of fact, I want to start calling Prince Obiora to come back home. Oh no, we need to do it immediately. As a matter of fact, you have to start calling him now. Because 5 years is not 5 days. I pray, let him listen to me and come back home. What do you mean by that? You pray, let him listen to you. Why won't he listen to you? Who does he want to sit on that his father's throne? You don't know Obiora. Obiora is one kind person. He may decide to give it out. Decide to give what out? It will be an abomination. He cannot try it. You are right. Anyway, I'm not concluding till I hear from him. So let's consider our job.
Oh no. Okay.
Obiora. No. Oh, now, okay. Listen, let me tell you this. Obiora, this is 5 years your father joined his ancestors. We need an heir to the throne.
Oh no, I have some project working on this period. When I am done, I will come back.
What do you mean by project? Does it mean that you will not come back to Nigeria and secure your father's throne?
I never said so, oh no. What I am saying is that you should give me some time.
Till when? Obiora, till when? Many things have gone wrong in the Eziama kingdom. We need a king that will carry out the projects. There's no way we elders that can do it, or even, I don't know, there's no way I can do it without a king.
I have heard you. I will get back to you later. Please just bear with me, okay?
Ha! Okay. Okay, if you say so. I'm waiting to hear from you soon. Hey! King Ezudo, the greatest king of Eziama kingdom. Hey! We miss your presence. I wish that you come back and start where you stopped, so that the great kingdom of Eziama kingdom will still keep on growing. Hey! That's
Hey! Again there! Hey! Mama! Mama, don't walk here! Mama, don't walk here! Hey! No! Mama, take me out! Mama, don't walk here! Mama, one touch! Mama, one touch! Mama, one touch! No more! Mama, go to boot. Mama, go to boot. V-boot! Am I going to go sure? Look at my shoe. Huh? Mama! Mama!
When will you stop dressing like this? When? Eh?
Mama, what is all this? Mama, are you trying to tell me that royalty does not befit me? Huh? Mama, look at me.
Oh, you're not royalty. You are not.
Says who? Nne. Says who? The people of Eziama does not have a king. And the bouncing baby boy prince is nowhere to be found. So why can't I act like the bouncing baby boy prince? Nne. Huh? No good. Am I not proud? Prince Akasimumma is Prince better than me? Mama them taller. I them more fine. Can you see where swag? What are you telling me, Mama? Huh?
Don't put yourself in trouble. Mama, listen.
Mama, listen to me. The people of Eziama will be happy that I'm dressed this way.
Who told you? Who told you?
I know, Mama, I know. Meanwhile, Mama, I'm heading to the shop. In case my cabinet member comes, direct them to my shop. You go? Mama, wish me well. Mama, wish your son well. Wish me well. Huh? You should be proud of me now. Mama, Mama, I'm good now. Huh? No more. Again. Again. Crown Prince of Eziama. The next one. Aspiring one. My brand body now. Better.
What kind of trouble is this? I wish I have the authority to stop those people that are selling this cloth to him. Eh?
He's an upright boy. People like him. He carried the matter.
Who am I seeing?
My people, my people.
Who am I seeing?
My people, my people.
Toto!
My people, my people. My people, my people.
Igwe highway. Igwe Muga.
Again. My people.
You too fresh.
Igwe highway. Oh, again. For now, I'll be your prince. Until the real prince returns, then I will resign.
No. Now you go be our king.
You don't mean it?
Now you, no other person. Now we stand for you now. Now we day here.
Oh, I'm happy.
That's his fine pass our prince.
Don't.
You know, so you get with the same door, so more.
Oh yeah, now my people.
Igwe highway.
We go see later. Hey, my people love me, and I love my people. Hey, Igwe Muga. My people love me, and I love my people. Huh?
He's an upright boy. People like him. He carried the matter of the kingdom of our heart. Wherever he go, everybody go jolly because Enyina get the vibes. Enyina igwe umuga iyo. Enyina igwe umukorobia. Here comes the king of the boys. No. If you hail on one bottle for you.
That was funny. That was you asking me what's funny? Don't you know you look funny? Haven't I told you to stop dressing like this? So is that the reason you're laughing at me like that? Like a clown? Are you not a clown? Are you not a clown? Listen, let me tell you, don't allow the elders of this community catch you dressing like this. If they see me like this, what are they going to do? Or have they not been seeing me like this? Huh? What would they do? When they see you, then you know what they will do to you. Just let them catch you. So nothing will happen. Yeah? See, let me tell you. As long as I'm making the people of my kingdom happy, which I know that they are very happy with me, I don't owe any elders any explanation. That is it. Izinaya, are you calling yourself the king? Are you the king? I am the king you see now, Nonso. I am now the king of this kingdom until Prince Obiora returns. You're a comedian. You're comic. You're very funny. Do you know that something is wrong with you? Instead of you to join the people of this kingdom to celebrate me and hail me and call me Ezo Mugai, bouncing baby boy, you are here laughing. Are you not supposed to be supporting them in hailing me? Huh? So what you're saying now is, as you join the general public to be supporting you, is that what you're saying? Is that not what you're supposed to do as my friend? Is that not what you're supposed to do as my friend? No, so look at you that I'm even trying to make honor. And you're here doing this nonsense. That's the news of today. Bouncing baby king! How you come? Bouncing baby king! That's all my guy! That's all my guy! Bouncing baby king! Again! Now you come! Look at Bolugu Sally! Okay, Biak, I need something at all. My boy! Bouncing baby king!
Kosi,
Yes, my princess.
who rewrote the food timetable I pasted in the kitchen?
The prince, my princess.
You mean Prince Harize did that?
Yes, my princess.
That's fine. You can go.
Arinze, you're daring me in this palace. That's fine. I won't let this go.
Maid, sorry about the short notice. You know, the election is by the corner. So I got a call from the state governor today.
Why did you change it?
Why would I change it? I do have all the right. It is the duty of either I or mother to do that. And I assigned the maids and the guards their duties. And that's what I did. Now can you imagine this nonchalant idiot?
Will you shut up?
You!
Will you both of you?
Stop it! You met us having a meeting. And you just came in, backed in, and then to make all this noise.
Just as this fool is disrespectful.
You shut your mouth. I just
shut up. Now get out of my sight. Get out of my sight right away.
I can't believe the prince and the princess is having serious misunderstanding like this.
Ichie, seriously, I've witnessed them argue like this before.
Really?
Yes. That day, it was very terrible. They even wanted to fight each other.
Is that really serious?
Today own is even small compared to what I saw that day.
And the king is not doing anything about it?
My brother, maybe he has been talking and they refuse to hear him.
Well, maybe there may be something else we don't know.
Maybe the other one wants to have her way over the other one. She insisted that what she said must happen. Let's go. Their father knows how to settle the matter.
Exactly.
Yes.
Oh, right on time, Father. Dad, tell me, how do I look?
Are you ready for an event?
Of course. I mean, the three of us are attending the local government meeting. Tell me, Father, how do I look?
Attending which local government meeting? What do you mean three of us?
You're not supposed to.
Dad, yourself, and myself.
The meeting is meant for the king and their sons.
Oh, come on, Dad. I mean, what about the kings who do not have sons? What happens to them?
Are you out of your mind? Unfortunately, he has a son. The meeting is for men and not girls.
Well, thank God you said unfortunately because, you know, it's just so unfortunate. Dad, we are all going for the meeting together. I mean, I'm dressed, so if Arinze is attending, I am attending.
Has it got into this?
Dad, I know everything that happened. Arinze persuaded you to not allow me attend this meeting. Am I right?
Come on, Dad. It doesn't matter who is going with you. We're all royalty. What if they ask of your son? I should be there.
The reason why I want Aima to come with me, I want to give her the platform to meet with princes from all the kingdom. You never can tell. It could lead to...
You have a point.
Your Highness, my prince, the food will still be ready.
It's okay.
Well, Dad, I'm only saying that it is right for me to go. I mean, with that I can meet other kings, you know, interact with other parents of other kingdoms, you know. And then again, the princesses. Yeah, remember, I'm meant to.
That's a good idea. Maybe some other time she'll come with us.
Exactly. But you know, even by taking me to the meeting tomorrow, if you're not chanced to go, I can always represent you.
Yeah.
Exactly. So that's why I should go there.
Go. Kaima.
Yes.
What do you intend to achieve with this behavior?
Oh, come on, Father. Give me some credit. I mean, let's just attend the meeting as a happy family. One big family.
If you continue like this, I'm afraid it will be hard for you to get married.
Well, brother, you're the king's son, not, a special advisor in the palace, so you do not have any right to advise me. You see that meeting? We're attending. And when it gets to the time for me to get married, I'll definitely get married and live
Father,
happy.
let's go.
Well, Dad, let's go. Dad, did you see what you just did to me? Let's go.
I will. Son?
Dad?
Let's go.
Well, since Dad has lost his mood to attend, I guess we could just sit at home and make merry. I'm tired anyway. Dad, you can as well call them via Zoom so we can have the meeting on Zoom. Oh my God.
Kaima.
Mother.
Kaima, I am no longer finding it funny at all. The way you and your brother quarrel, fight over little things every day. That is wrong. Remember, you are a woman. Sometimes you try to mellow.
A woman, you say? Oh, now you remember I'm a woman. When I started handling Dad's companies, well, I wasn't a woman. Maybe then I was a man. I help out in the house, I help out in the company, and I've given more results over the years. And still I'm a woman. Why are you relegating me behind? Mother, I did not cause this problem. I am never the start of it. He starts it and I end it. It's as simple as ABC.
It's okay, my daughter. Calm down. Kaima, my daughter, fighting with your brother every now and then is wrong. Remember, he is your younger brother. One day you will get married and leave this palace. Yes, he is the heir apparent to the throne. Yes.
Mom, have you ever thought that with the rate at which you're going, I might even become the heir apparent to the throne? Yes, show me one thing Arinze can do right. Nothing, apparently. I do every single thing. One day, I'll just sit on that throne and rule this kingdom. Mother, can you believe what that idiot was saying? He told father that he does not want me in that meeting. I heard them. I saw him with my eyes.
Kaima, please. There are things you don't say with your mouth. Please, do not commit abomination. It has never been heard that a woman ascends the throne of his father. No, it has never been done, please.
Mom, please. Please, enough of all of this. I did not start this. All this you're saying to me, you should preach to your son. Preach to Arinze. He should be the one you're talking to, not me. He started it and I'm ending it. I have never started anything. He starts and I end. Simple.
Kayama, I am your mother. Chikaima, I am your mother. Listen to me, please, and calm down. My lord. Please, I am so sorry about their attitude. I have spoken to them. Please, calm down.
You really need to speak with them. You really and seriously need to admonish them. They are getting out of hand. I am beginning to lose it.
I know you are very angry. I know.
Yes, I am very angry.
But my lord, you could have attended that meeting without them. I don't know why you have to notify them about the meeting.
We were asked to either come with our son or our daughter. So that's why I made the attempt to go with Arinze.
You know the kind of children they are.
Every day. Quarrel here and there. Brother and sister, you will never find them, in a pleasantry mood. You'll never see them play and whatever. It's getting out of hand.
I don't understand. All the same, I have heard you. Please, I will keep on talking to them.
Please. Please, they never can tell what I will spring up very soon.
Obiora, your response isn't clear to me. Your response to me isn't clear. If you tell me you will return in 3 months' time, You will tell me again you will return in 6 months' time. Which one should I believe, Obiora? Eh?
Oh no, in 6 months' time, I'll be back. Just give me some time, like I said, until I finish up what I'm doing here.
Obiora, look, we have had enough patience. Please come back home. A kingdom without a king for a period of 5 good years. No, it's no longer favoring the community. Everybody is worried, talking about you, Obiora.
Oh no, I have heard you. I will return as soon as I complete my project here. Please help me talk to people on my behalf.
Okay, I will talk to them. As you said, it's all right. Wait. This is unbelievable. That you are calling a full-grown man and begging him. So we must call him to remind him that he should come home and take over the throne his late father left behind. Obiora is just a young man. Those thoughts doesn't come into his mind. See, no, how can you call that full-grown man with balls a young boy? Huh? Let us stop specifying this young man. He's old enough. How old was his father when he took over the throne of Ezama? As you can see, I've been talking, and now you heard it from me that I've talked to him again about it. We should talk more. Our kingdom will not just stay without a king. What kind of thing is this thing? This not only. You look as if you are begging him to come. In fact, I am out of this place. I'm not begging him. This problem. Everybody is suffering it. I can give you his number. Come and take his number.
Mazibe, the only elder that stands with the truth. I greet you.
Engineer.
Eh?
So this thing I heard is true. Huh?
What is true?
I was hearing this thing. I was thinking they were joking. I never knew it's a reality.
Oh no, what is true? I hope they've not labeled me a thief.
Far from that. I've been hearing about you dressing like either as a king or a prince. I thought they were joking. I never knew it is like that.
Mazibe, what you heard is true. Actually, I dress like this just to make the people of my kingdom happy. Until Prince Obiora returned.
Okay.
And they even gave me a name that suits my, the way I dress.
What is the name?
Oh no, you should have known the name since you said you heard that I dress in a certain way. You should have also heard the name which they call me.
You know I don't go about asking people in the village the reason for every action that is happening. It's just that I heard it, I overheard it, and I said it's either I see you and ask you or I come to your father's house.
Oh no, the name that they call me is Eze Omogai.
Eh? Eze Gini?
Eze Omogai. Bouncing baby king.
Hey! You are not serious. I was going somewhere.
Oh no, we are not done talking.
My friend. It's like this your kingship thing and the attire. This thing that you're doing has entered your head. I am not Onowu. My name is Mazibe.
Mazibe. I know, just that I'm too excited today. But like I said, I enjoy your company, I enjoy your conversation. So we need to keep talking.
We will discuss some other time. I was going to...
No, Mazibe, you need to complete what you've started.
Hey, Naya, there's one thing I want you to know. I want you to know that Oburi Ubenine Keji Atoka. Ejiri ube okpoko atoka. Ihe ejikwanu ube oyibo wee toka. Eji nnya ka ịgbala ube na mongo ba afia. Gbala ube.
Mazibe.
It's not all pears that you use in eating corn. Thank you.
I will come to your house later with a bottle of drink so that we can have a proper conversation. Okay? Oreo. Afo. Nkwo. All the market days, I honor you. As we wake this morning, let whatever we do be successful. My ancestors, I present Kola to you. Ojabokwane, you know. Oga dira ina mma n'ụtụtụ. Oga dira mma n'ehihie. Oga dira mma n'abalị. Bless the work of our hands. Protect my community and take away all evil. The people of my community will be successful. Both the elders, the youth, the women, even the children, boys and girls. Whatever they put their hands into will be successful. Say, Oga dry in Amma, Mary, dry in Manampo, dry in Manampo, dry in Manampo. Ah, Oga dry in Manampo.
Where did you learn all this from? Huh?
Mama, this is the gift from the gods. For the gods knows that I will rule well as king. Even the gods are happy that I'm doing it.
Jaluko, do you know that you're funny? Yeah? Who is even giving you this idea that you become a king one day?
Mama, nobody. Since our king is no more, let me represent him for now. Huh?
You are joking. You are joking.
Mama, I am not joking. Man, now. Does kingship not befit me? Eh? Or are you belittling me because I'm your son?
Hey, Naya, stop this thing, Biko. Eh? Stop doing this, your liberation and everything. Please, Biko, I have not finished talking about the crown you always put on your head. Now you have started pouring libation. Because you are not Naya. Please, I don't want problem with these villagers,
Mama, I only told you that the gods are happy that I'm doing this. And this is a gift from the gods. Don't you understand? Huh? By the way, I'm going inside to go and dress. I'm going to the shop. You know go? I got to take a number.
What's wrong with this man?
He's an upright boy.
Hey, go come on. What is all this?
Wherever he go, everybody go jolly because singing.
You don't kill in this village.
Point of correction. Guy.
So I should start calling you that. Is that what you're saying? You are telling me to start addressing you as that?
Do you need a seer to tell you to start doing that? Huh? How many times have I told you to be addressing me as a Zumu guy?
Are you now my king? Eh? Oh, because you dress in a prince attire, you're not feeling like the king, eh?
No, so I want to ask you a question.
Which is?
Does Eziama Kingdom have a king?
Yes, we don't have a king now. That's true. But you're not our king now. You're not even.
You have to start seeing me as your king. Nonso, don't you get the point?
Hey, Naya, you're not even related by royal blood. There's no royalty in your blood.
Also, wait. Do you think it's only people of royal blood that are kings? What if the god decides to choose another person as their king? Have you thought about that?
Huh? Hey, Naya, you're playing with fire. Don't allow the gods of this land to strike you dead.
No, so shut up your mouth there. The gods will not do anything. Huh? Relax. It's not able to stop practicing on how to get into my cabinet. As my no, we are here saying all this nonsense. I think I know what the problem is.
Are you calling yourself you're calling yourself my king?
I am your king. I am the king you see now. Huh? The way I'm seeing you, I think and I know that you're out of provision, right?
Yes, I came to
I need Milo milk.
No problem. You come and select what you need and I'll write your name as a debtor.
I also need that bread with that particular milk. It has full cream. This
the
one.
big bread.
This one.
Okay, not you go house. Okay. Okay, before you enter my shop, you address me properly. Call me by my name.
Which of your name?
Okay, you don't longer know my name.
Sorry.
Ezomu boy, see. Bouncing baby king.
Hey!
Ezomu boy, see.
Bouncing
baby king.
Oh no!
Ezomu boys in Waka. Bouncing baby king. Ezomu boys in Waka. Bouncing baby king.
He's an upright boy. People like him. He carried the matter of the kingdom of our heart.
Hey! Oh no! I'm very happy to see you.
What is that supposed to mean?
I know that you're very concerned about the absence of our king. Because I know that you truly miss him.
Why are you on royal attire?
That's a good question. This shows that the real king has arrived. If you know what I mean. Huh?
Enina, listen to me. If you think that you will become the king of this kingdom, you are a liar. It will not work because it's hereditary.
Oh no, that shouldn't be your problem. And that is not my concern because I know that it's hereditary and it is not for me to be the king. But if the God says that I am supposed to be the king, who am I to question the gods? Huh?
You are too funny. You are too funny.
Oh no, listen. Whoever the gods has made king, nobody can stop him. Oh no, you will still change your mind. I am very sure about that. It's just a matter of time. Huh? Bouncing baby, oh no. I'll come and see you later, huh?
Wherever he go, everybody go jolly.
Hi. Gods of our ancestors, we need a king. Eziama kingdom have stayed for 5 years without a king. And Obiora is here to return. Just look at Enyina. Enyina has started making mockery of the throne of Eziama. Look at the characters he used to display in the marketplace, in every corner. Hey, stay dressing like a prince. Gods of our forefathers, please come to our aid. Come to our aid. Things are going wrong.
Of course. Yes, I'll send you the first. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Yes.
The plumber guy is outside, so I decided to inform you.
The plumber guy? Did Arinze invite a plumber?
I don't know.
You know what? Go tell the plumber that he should go, that I have called another person.
Okay, princess. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Please, you have to leave. It's an order from the princess, and you don't expect me to question her orders.
But Prince invited me. He's the one that asked me to come. Please, can you go inside and call him?
I'm so sorry I can't. Please, you may leave. Thank you.
Mom. This girl is biting more than she can chew. This fool had the guts to chase away the plumber I brought to this house. For what reason?
Simple. He's unprofessional.
He's not professional. What do you know about professionalism?
Well, I know so well that I handled that company and I handled all the affairs.
You're biting more than you can chew.
Arinze, do not touch me!
You're biting more than you can chew.
How dare you touch me, Arinze?
You have no right to chase away the
And you
power
have
of
no
this
right
house.
to talk to me or touch me either.
Oh God, Mom, you're not saying anything.
What do you want me to say? Tell me. What do you want me to say? You people decided to talk, so keep talking.
You see you?
You
see you?
You see you too, Arinze, stop touching me. What is wrong with you? Mom! Mom, I need to kill this idiot! Arinze! Mom, I will behead your son one day.
Chikaima.
Mother.
Do you know you are wrong in this?
No, Mom, I'm not wrong.
You should have allowed the plumber to work. By the time he did not get it well, you can complain.
Mom, what are you saying? So you want us to waste the royal funds on nonsense? Mother, that guy was not professional.
Now that you quarreled with your brother over it, are you happy? Because your father and I are not happy at all.
Mom, that shouldn't bother you both. I mean, you shouldn't bother yourself on little things. Come on.
Chikaima.
Mom.
I told you sometimes you try to mellow down. You are a woman.
Mom, I will not keep wasting funds over rubbish. And yourself and Dad, you worry too much. I don't want to talk about something really productive.
Like what?
All the stuff. Mom, you know what? It's been long we made videos. So let's just make some news.
I'm telling you something important. We're talking about making... My lord. I want to suggest something concerning Chikaima and Arinze.
Okay. Go ahead.
I suggest we send Chikaima to Canada to do her masters. Let us separate them. Maybe by doing this, they will start missing each other. You never can tell. By the time she returns, love might lead.
Lolo, how come we never had this thought all this while? But to think of it, do you think Arinze will allow Kaima to travel to Canada while he stays back here in Nigeria?
My lord, Arinze is the heir apparent to the throne. It is your duty to convince him. Let him know that he needs to remain here with you to see the affairs of this kingdom. Let us see if this will help us.
That's a good idea. Then in that case, I'll have to talk to Kaima to start preparing for it.
We'll have to inform both of them so that it will not come as a surprise to any of them.
It's okay.
So,
I think we should just start it now. Let's go inform them. And let's see the next. After all, we'll be looking for solution to this problem.
I think we have to go.
Yes.
Never go to Canada. No, that cannot happen. So me, I will now stay back here. No, that's not possible.
And what's wrong with that?
Everything is wrong with it.
What is wrong with me going to Canada?
You cannot go to Canada and leave me here.
Why?
All of us will go to that Canada together.
Arinze, she's only going there to study. Let her go and get her master's degree. While you remain here with me to administer and learn the leadership of how to rule our people.
We are saying the same thing, Father. Me, I'm also going to study. I'm also going to do my master's. So let's all go to the Canada together.
Arinze, both of you cannot live at the same time.
Why can't we leave?
No! Allow her to go and finish with her master's. Then when she returns, you go and do yours. Listen to your father. What is all this?
Mom, does he ever listen? I mean, this is the boy. Father expects to rule the kingdom with him.
You're mad.
No, I am not. You are mad.
You're raving mad.
No, apparently you are mad.
You're raving mad.
You are mad, Arinze.
It is all right. I shall confer with your mother. Maybe we'll come up with something. It's okay.
Oh, this kingdom is in trouble. Oh, poor kingdom.
It's okay.
Did you hear that?
What did I say wrong?
Did you hear that?
What is all this?
I'm just saying, because the kingdom is in trouble. We are going like this.
My baby?
Mom, please. Mom, please. Not again. I just want to be left alone, please.
Chikaima, at least hear me out.
What more do you want me to hear? Why would Arinze say I'm not traveling out of the country? Why?
I will talk to him. Relax. Relax, I will talk to him.
Mother, you better talk to him. You better do, because... Mother, what is this now? What is this? Why did you and Dad even tell him about it in the first place?
It was a mistake. We shouldn't have told him. But you have made a mistake already.
I don't care what you both did. But you see, 10 of Arinze will not stop me from leaving this country. You see, Canada, me, I must go. I don't care what he does. This is too much.
Relax. My daughter, I said relax. I will talk to him, okay? Please.
Oh, you better do. You better do.
I will. I promise. Please. My princess.
Mother, please just talk to your son and leave me.
I will. I promise you.
I told you that Arinze will not accept to say Kaima should travel while he stays here. I told you.
My lord, we made a mistake. We should have kept it a secret from him. What is all these children?
I'm really tired. Kaima should not even travel anymore. After all, she's the one that actually created the problem we're having right now. I wonder if this should actually came up from our loins.
My lord, what are you insinuating? Eh? What are you saying?
None of them has my character. None of them has yours. Can't you see?
So this is becoming serious. So you don't want her to travel out of the country to further her educations?
Okay, now, why would she do it? Does she want the best for me as well? Huh? No, don't tell me that. When I'm supposed to go for the traditional rulers council meeting, do you know the impact that meeting would have done in my life as a future king of this kingdom? Do you know but she stopped me from doing it, which is way too important to me than anything else in this world. So why would I allow? No, what we are doing is aura for aura. Do you understand? We are doing aura for aura. She come for me, I come for her.
See, I just want to advise you for something. You know she's a woman, and women love pampering.
That's the thing. They are using that to deceive us, manipulating us to think that we are the problem, whereas they are the problem. Especially my sister. She's the problem. So the earlier we start seeing beyond that, the better for all of us. Before we die before our time.
No. My prince, he has not gotten to that. So you just try and calm down. That's what I have to say to you. You guys are family. Just try as much as possible to know how to work out things. To work well between you guys. She's your sister. Do you know?
Does she know?
So she knows. Of course she knows she's your sister.
I'm her brother.
She knows you're her brother. She knows you're her brother. You get? So just try as much as possible as a man and be a man and let things work out the way it's supposed to be. That's what I have to say to you.
I am tired of this constant problem. My people say children are blessings and not curse. Children are supposed to be a source of joy and not everyday hypertension. My ancestors, why would you allow this kind of calamity to befall me? Where have I gone wrong? That the heir apparent to my throne does not listen to me. And then, the princess, who is supposed to be a peacemaker, is the one making the matter Even worse. My concern is who will marry that with that kind of character. My sisters, I'm tired. Come and take this burden from me. I don't know what to do.
Mama! Mama! Oi! Mama!
What is it?
The ladies' clothes. I want you to select the one that you think I should wear. This one. This last one.
Hey, Naya.
Huh?
You know I'm not supporting this your attire. Eh? So what makes you think I will select clothes for you?
How do you know that you're not in support of this one?
Go inside. Wear anyone you like. And if you want to wear the two of them, go ahead.
Mama, you better support me, oh. You better support. Even the gods are in support of me. So why don't you want to support me, eh?
Is it what you think?
Mama, Igwe is dead. Igwe go. And his son has run away. So there's no other person. I want to be the one that will be representing them for now. Don't you understand? Mama, they go Onowu and the elders. Eh? They should come and crown me king. I don't have time. I want him die. I don't have time, Mama.
Hey, say, whatever comes out of this, your Igwe king or whatever. Okom, Akam, Akure. Yes. My hands and my legs are not involved. Because do not say I did not warn you.
Mama, nothing is happening, Mama. Okay. Don't you understand? The gods are with me. Okay. Huh? Who the gods are with, nobody can touch. Afamubu untouchable. Igwe guy, Mama. Don't you understand?
Hey, can you please allow me to let this be in peace? Biko. Yes, I don't have strength to argue with you this time. Biko.
Mama, you better have strength too. You better have strength because you need to start rehearsing your role as the queen mother. Eh? Mama, what is the Kwisiligi now? Eh? Bouncing baby queen mother. If we hear, now, meaning that what I'm saying is in order. Mama, let's team together and rule this kingdom.
He's an upright boy. People like him. He carried the matter of the kingdom.
You great guy. May you live long.
Beautiful maidens of Asiama Kingdom. I must confess, you girls look so beautiful.
Thank you.
I can see you're heading to the stream.
Yes, sir.
Don't worry, I promise you. Very soon, every household in this kingdom will have their own pipe-borne water. Made by me. So you don't have to stress yourself fetching water again.
Are you serious?
I'm very serious.
We'll be very happy.
What's funny? You guys don't believe me. There's no need of being here. You guys can continue your whatever. Diala. And remember, I've marked your face. When I become king, I'll banish you both as well.
Yawakem, thought I've told you to stop putting on this royal attire. Stop it before you hurt yourself.
So I am not doing anything against anybody. One. All these things I'm doing is to entertain myself and the people of Asiama Kingdom. I never told you that I'm the king of Asiam. All I said is that I am the king of boys. There is a difference to that. Huh?
I know why I'm telling you this, so I know why I'm warning you. Listen, I don't want it to happen to you. You're my friend, too. Don't think the elders are not observing you, seeing all these things you are doing. Watching you dress as if you are the king of this land.
Elders will not do anything. You know why?
Why?
Because they have been seeing me. I even spoke with Onowu face to face. And he didn't, make a point out of anything. Yes.
They're just keeping you quiet. About you getting. And you know why? Very soon, they will strike. They know what they're doing.
Don't forget that thing. See, the truth is, we only have one heir apparent to this throne, and that is Prince Obiora. So since he's not available at the moment, allow me to enjoy myself. Whenever he returns, he possesses his possession. I'm not dragging any throne with anybody. I'm just here to enjoy myself. Can't you see? King of boys. Hey, so don't worry yourself. Nothing will happen to you.
What can I pick up a challenge? Okay, tell me what I follow the challenge.
Oh no! Oh no!
You are looking younger. What is the secret?
You know, my brother's son, Ebuka, the musician, the one that has dreads. Ebuka came back and told me that the foreign company has signed him and that he will be going to Enugu tomorrow to sign the label.
You don't mean it.
And he wants me to go with him. He said I should go and look. He personally took me to the barbing salon where they nanched me and make me look like this.
I don't know that you are too handsome like this.
What do you mean? If I am not handsome, I have married that fine woman. I wanted to come to your house before because I want to go to Mbogo's house to get the herbs I told you before. So I said after going to that place, I will come to your house. I want to know, has Obiora called you again?
Obiora? I spoke to him. Not quite long we meet here.
And what was his response this time around?
His response? The same old story. I'll come back today. I'll come back tomorrow.
What is wrong with the children of these days? They gave it to him.
It's no longer funny. It's no longer funny. If by the end of this year, Obiora did not return to this village, that throne will be given to another family. Bam! That throne will be given to another family.
As you said it, so shall it be. But my own is that the end of this year is too far. If we wait for them and he did not come back, we look for somebody befitting and give that throne to.
That's exactly what I'm saying.
Yes, and the end of this year is too far. Because what I'm saying this is that if you don't act fast, what is that his name? Enyinaya must connect with the people and do something funny.
Forget about Enyinaya. It's just a village clan.
Do not take him for granted because the people likes him. People like him, more especially the youths. Remember.
Icheibe. I'm in a hurry. Let's see in the evening. For Onyinea,
look into it to know. If nobody is ready to take over the king, who said that?
He's an upright boy.
Yeah, okay, stop that. I'm talking to you. You understand? Like, is there any at all that you saw here? That's by the way. Why were you people dancing and around him, hailing him as if no bulago?
Mazi, since you're the only one in this village, who has not heard what Igwe Mugai did for the people of this village today?
What did he do?
Hey, Mazi, Igwe Mugai was the one who saved the children from this village, from the house of kidnappers.
How?
This afternoon.
How? How can he save them from kidnappers? What are you talking about?
This afternoon. It just happened today.
Yeah, excuse me. Come on. What? And where are you taking this little boy?
What's your business now? This boy is my sister's son. And I'm taking him to his maternal home.
You are taking him to his maternal home and you're panting like this. One, I've not seen your face in this village before. Who are you? Huh?
Bro, you are delaying me.
But hey! I know Ifeanyi and I know Ifeanyi's mother. I know his sisters. Huh? And I don't know you. I don't know you. Who are you?
Bro, what are you talking about now? I said he's my sister's son.
Your sister's son?
I'm taking him to his...
So you're a kidnapper?
Me, kidnapper?
Come! Hey, if you move, what? This animal is a kidnapper. I saw him with this child. I'm not a kidnapper. Where are you taking him to? Answer.
Huh? Bro, I'm not a kidnapper. How can you say I'm not?
Tataya! Okay. It is our village. You don't catch up. I've marked his face, I'm guessing. Let's take him to.
Hey! After all the investigation, we find out that this guy is not only a kidnapper, but a thief and a ritualist.
Are you serious?
If not for Igwe Mugai, who knows what would have happened to all of us?
But the only thing is just that this boy, or Igwe Mugai, or whatever you call it, I don't like the way he prides himself. He's too proud. I don't like that. But anyway, he tried though. I will try and recommend him to the council of Nde so that we'll commend him. Yes.
Just that he's not a rich man. I think being he's a rich man, I would have even suggested that we should make him the king of this village.
Who shut up your place? Will you shut up your mouth? Who told you little boy like, how can you be if not for it, I will just use this tag and he can hit your head. How can you be interfering in the thing that had to do with the elders and the councils of Igwe? Eh? Your father is not even one of the members of the council and you are here talking. Anyway, you can go. I've heard what you said.
Thank you, sir.
Even if I hit you this thing now, what is your problem? This is how look at the kind of thing. Hey, he bam. Look as if maybe you are keeping clothes on top of your head. Huh?
Hey! Nami Potoku. It's a waka. But tell me, how were you able to do that? Because you told me everything as I was coming back from it.
Mama, it's not by my doing anyway. It was with the help of my forefathers. Huh? Mama, I told you that I care about my people so much. That is why they call me King of the Youth.
I know. They were singing and praising your name.
Yes.
Huh? But my fear is someone. The elders. They will turn against you. Won't they turn against you?
Turn against me? For what? Huh? Did I commit any crime? Why would they turn against me? I am only doing what me and my chief agreed. I care about my people. So why would they turn against me? Mama. If they try it, Mama, I swear when I become king, I will remove all of them as elders and put the youth there. Yes, I need the youth because they are vibrant. Huh? I will remove Onowu and I will put Monso as Onowu. Huh? Yes. Mama, you think Monso cannot be Onowu?
No. Just that I'm happy. I'm really happy. I appreciate what you did. But please, you have to be careful.
Mama, forget that thing. Mama, I've been telling you times without number. The gods are with me. Nobody can harm me. Eh? Let's go inside. Huh? Something reasonable.
He's an upright boy. People like him. He carried the matter of the kingdom of heart. Wherever he go, Ogini kana zozio, Gini kana no loco. Oh yeah, Kedozi fana sonu. Obogini kana no loco. Yeah. You should be brother and sister, not enemies. Stop the fighting and the show of power. No profu, manogini nese. Why can't the brother and the sister agree and leave us one night? Yeah. Manogini kana zazio, gini kana no loco. Kedivana zolivemayo, gini kana no loco.
Father, meet my girl. She's that sweet angel I've been telling you guys about for a while now. That's my father, the king. That's my mother, the queen.
Your Majesty. Majesty.
My darling, you are welcome.
Thank you, Mom.
You're so beautiful. Have your seat.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Father.
My son has told me so much about you.
That depends on what he has told you, Father. Because this boy seated right here cannot bring home anything good.
And what are you insinuating?
It simply means that every single thing you have told father and mother about this person are all lies. And you and I know that. Trust me when I say you will not marry her.
Are you mad? What's that supposed to mean?
How dare you bring a mannerless idiot into my father's palace? Father, this person seated right here saw me outside and couldn't even say hello.
You're just walking in, my princess.
Exactly. Well, you literally just walked in now.
And so? I mean, didn't your mother teach you manners? No, it's obvious your mother didn't teach you enough manners. And trust me when I tell you that we do not welcome mannerless people into this palace.
Kaima, what is wrong with you? Do you know her before?
Mother, I don't need to know someone like this. It would be an abomination for me to know someone like this. This is crazy.
You dare not talk to my guest in that manner.
I just did that, and what would you do?
And I'll beat the living day out of you.
Father, obviously, she has taught him to be mannerless. You're standing before father and mother, you're behaving like a pig.
Behaving like a pig?
Yes, exactly. Do you want to hit me?
Kaima! What is wrong with you?
What is your problem? What is your problem? Mother, I'm saving this kingdom. That's what I'm doing. Do you know her before?
Have you met her before? What is all this?
Be careful.
Where is she?
My friend, she just left.
She just left and you open the gate. Are you mad?
I'm sorry, my prince.
Anita, please, I'm sorry, please come back.
No. Over my dead body would I go back in there? Not after your sister insulted me and my late parents.
Anita, even my dad is against it, please. I'm sorry, please let's go back.
No,
please.
another time, I cannot.
Anita. You're mad.
I'm sorry, my prince.
Madam, I get up here.
Go.
What is it? What is it? Okay, try it.
No.
Timer. Arrange the timer. I dare you. Try it. I will kill you right here. Try it.
Get up of it now. This is unbelievable, guys. So if the king and the queen did not intervene, this is how the prince could have killed his sister with his sword. Hey, because of a girl.
Chioma, I was so afraid though. The meanest on his face was something else. Well, he was not trying to hurt his sister, but just trying to caution her in case of next time she will not do something like that.
But that princess, why would she send away the prince's visitor just because they are having issues?
You talk as if you don't know her. That lady always wants to control the affairs of this kingdom. See, me, I'm tired of that girl. That is why I told you people should come, let's quit. I just feel like quitting.
You're always talking quit. Like there's another better job outside there.
My sister, there are a lot of better jobs out there.
If you want to go, you go. Are you stopping her not to go? I'm not stopping you.
Yeah, Master Queen, don't talk to me anyhow. Slap
Are you mad? You don't have respect. What is wrong with you?
Ogenekwa, waiting there happen.
Look at the princess.
Should be brother and sister, not enemies. Stop the fight.
Oh, my ancestors. Your son brought scholar for UP. I came here today to say thank you for what you're doing for the people of Eziama Kingdom. I equally came to ask for protection for my people. Whatever they put their hands in shall prosper. They will go and come back with good health. Equally, I am asking for long life. Remove untimely death from us. We shall live long to see our children. You say,
Hey!
Mama?
Ina. I don't know why you keep doing this every morning. Huh?
Mama, this is my morning prayers to my forefathers.
Yeah. Mama, in fact, sometimes they confuse me. Because I don't know where you belong. Is it a chief priest or Uwe Umokrobi? Yeah, Uwe guys.
Mama, all join. But before I forget, I forgot to put in my prayers. You shall live long.
Yes.
You will live long to see your children.
Yes.
Meanwhile, to Igwe Umu boys.
Igwe Umu boys.
Mama.
Igwe Umu Krobia.
Say yours.
Igwe Umu Krobia.
Say yours, Mama.
Igwe Umu youth.
Mama, because of this, if I'm coming back from the shop, 1 bottle of palm wine. Yes.
Hey!
1 gallon. Mama, not only that, I know your favorite. I'll equally buy you fish. Maggie is
He's an upright boy. People like him. He carried the matter of the kingdom of our heart. Wherever he go, everybody.
Igwe boy, see. Again, Igwe boy.
It's not like him now. This guy really used to him. Business consciousness.
Igwe boy, see. Bouncing baby king. Bouncing baby king.
I'm checking this out.
No.
Mama, good afternoon.
Afternoon, how are you?
I'm fine.
Hey.
Is Naya in the house?
No. Naya is supposed to be in the shop. No, a shop here.
No, it's not in the shop, Mama. I'm just coming from his shop. The shop is locked.
I came to the house to check if I could find him here. Yes, so it's not there.
But he didn't tell me that he's going anywhere today.
Are you serious? Mama, wait. The Naya that I know of doesn't joke with business, Mama. Your son doesn't joke with money. It's not possible.
All the same, please.
Okay.
Help me talk sense into him. Please talk to him. I don't like those attires he used to put on. I don't like it. See, it's good to be ambitious, but we are not royalty. We are not.
Mama, the truth is, you see, your son is not a man that that listens to anybody. He only listens to himself. But I'll try my best, okay? I'll try to make him change. I'll change him.
Biko, I will be happy. I'll be happy. It's okay. Just early hours of today, I saw him pouring libation. The king or the chief priest. Help me talk to him.
Mama, you worry too much. Your son is a cruise catcher. He's just catching cruise. And I cruise that guy in the catch. Mama, don't let it get to you, okay? But I'll talk to him.
Say about you, say about you, I don't know.
Money is Yoku.
I'm afraid of this
I'll
village.
talk to him. Mama, I know what I need to hurry along, okay?
And I'm consoling. I was about going to.
Let's go.
Yeah? A small boy like this, he will be just behaving as if he's right. Why we are not? No, my guess is this elder. How about this to have this?
Ike? What are you? Okay. My ancestors, my ancestors, I come with a heavy heart because the throne of Eziama Kingdom has been vacant for 5 years now. And it seems like the royal home are reluctant about it. We can no longer continue to be in a kingdom without a king. That is the reason I decided to come as Mwafo to purify it. To show thee that there are still able men in this our kingdom. To my ancestors, I plead that you accept my little invitation.
Hey, Naya! What are you doing here? Come out! What are you doing here? Come out!
I'm talking to the gods.
Hey, this boy want to kill me. Come out from there!
My ancestors, I'll be back.
Come out! Are you running mad? Come out from there! Hey. What is wrong with you? What are you doing there? Come on, let's go. What is wrong with you? What's the problem? I just understand you. You are so difficult. What is wrong with you? Are you crazy or what? What were you doing there? What were you doing at the secretary? Okay, what if the gods have struck you dead?
But it did not strike me. Am I not the one that is talking to you here?
Hey, Inaya, listen, you have no right to go to that tree of the Eziama kingdom. Okay? Except you're royalty or probably you're a prime minister. And you're not included for this.
Sir,
you're just posing as one.
The God sent me there to go there and purify it. Or are you fighting for the gods, Noso? Are you not fighting for the gods?
Now listen, thank your stars that I was the only one that saw you there. Huh? Who knows?
Who knows? You are not the only one that saw me.
You serious?
Yes. Even if the whole kingdom saw me, I am not afraid. Noso, I am not scared of anybody. Or have you forgotten who I am?
Who are you? Every time who I am. You are nothing but a man that loves money. You love business more than
I am the king of the boys.
Who made you the king of the boys?
I am the king of the boys. I'm also your king. And you're my boy. That makes me your king. And who are you laughing at? Huh?
I can see these old things entering your head.
Noso, if you are not careful, I will remove you from being my prime minister, Noso. I can see you no longer want to be the prime minister.
I can see that you no longer want to be Onowu. No, so if you're not careful with me, when I become the king, I will banish you. And if you get angry, I will still banish you. And when I get angry, I will still banish you.
You know, okay, sir, man. Okay, sir, man.
I can see you don't have ambition.
Really?
I can see you don't have ambition. Your mind is very, very low. You want IQ. I will change you. I will change you.
Who is here? Angoleka! Angole! Oh, banana! Angoleka!
Hey, hello.
I'll come out here. Angole, come.
Hey.
Angole, look. I said come and stand here. I call you out here to tell you to warn your son never to bring calamity in this kingdom. I don't understand why he should go to the secretary to pour libation.
Biko, calm down, please. I'm sorry.
Don't tell me to calm down. I am angry at this time.
You are supposed to be angry. Biko, wow, forgive him. Please calm down.
Oh, you and I know that the only people that goes to that secretary is the royal family. Wow. Your son went to that secretary as who?
You know, he's a child, Biko. Please, I'm begging you. Please, I beg you. I'll talk to him, Biko.
Angoleka, warn him.
I will.
Warn him. Else he will never like my next action.
I don't know where
any other time he tries such. Warn him.
I will. No, please forgive him. Biko, no, please don't let the elders know about this, Biko. Oh no, because yeah. Talking to my son now. Hey there. So after all my one is saying you still carry this your useless act to that secretary. I'm going in there. And you not kill me because I don't kill my mother. You will not kill me.
Mama, is it because of what Onowu said with his empty threats? Is that why you're
shouting? Will you shut up? What you want? Will you shut up? You must be out of your senses. Enya, whatever you put yourself into in this kingdom, you carry it alone.
Mama, why are you people shouting? Everybody's just making noise. Because they deceived you people and they lied that it's only royalty that go to the secretary.
Mama, is it not true? Are you royalty?
Mama, I am not royalty. But I also went to the secretary. Now, am I not standing here? Am I dead? Why are you shouting?
You see all this your madness, eh? No matter how you want to take it, no matter how you want to carry it. But please, avoid any secretary in this kingdom. Mama, avoid it. Don't touch any secretary in this kingdom.
Even the Bible said it. That we are also kings and priests in our own way. So he will royalty, more will royalty. Yes!
No problem. No, not so bad, bro. No problem. Whatever you cause in this community, you carry it on your head. You carry it on your head.
I go, Mama. Also,
are you a priest, okay?
Mama, let me remind you. No problem. You are shouting on a king. It's a taboo.
If I'm new quota, did you listen to Bulia? What is all this? Can't you hear stuff for us? Look at that now.
Ma, but I'm going to go to Abarampa.
Oh, yeah?
In Abarigwe.
It's Arab.
He's an upright boy. People like him. He carried the matter of the kingdom of heart. Wherever he go, everybody go jolly because I get the vibes. Enyina igwe umugai, enyina igwe umukorobia, owa igwe the guy. Here comes the king of the boys. No, enyina igwe the guy, owa igwe the guy. If you hail him, one bottle for you. Enyina igwe
Igwe guys say. Igwe guys say. Igwe highway. Igwe guys say. Igwe guys say.
Job well done. Job well done. Oh yeah now.
I'm getting out, yo. I'm getting out, yo.
How are you happy?
Say no more. Igwe guys say. What are you not telling me? You shall reign forever.
Open the gate. Someone is there to come in.
Anita!
Hello, Queen.
My darling, you're welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
How are you?
Fine.
You're welcome.
I see. This is the reason for the secrecy and all the preparations going on in the kitchen.
Yes, she's our guest.
Who's guest, Mom? I do not remember inviting anyone.
I did. I invited her.
Mom!
Yes. My darling. You're welcome.
Good afternoon.
Who opened the gate? You did. You see that thing you're holding? I'll cut off your hand one day. Try it next time.
You see, leadership is perseverance. Your ability to have self-control. If you do not, you're definitely going to have issues with your subjects.
Your Highness.
My lord. Hi.
Yes, that is enough. That is enough. We had enough of that. Time for dining. We must leave now.
Come with me.
Surprise you. Right, my lord.
Well, do not tell me they just left on my account. That was unnecessary. Anyway, brother, you see that thing that just left here with Dad? You ain't gonna marry her.
As what?
The princess of this kingdom.
Come on, shut up there. Are you mad?
I will not shut my mouth.
Who the hell are you to tell me who to marry?
Princess of this kingdom. Kaima. Mom, you see that crazy guy that just left here? He won't marry her.
Kaima, 1 million of you cannot stop me from marrying Anita.
You think you just wander in the streets and bring a frustrated, crazy human
You
into
are
this
the
palace?
frustrated witch.
You will not marry
Come
her.
on, shut the
Watch
hell are you?
me.
Who the hell are you?
Me?
I will not marry her.
You will not!
Kaima, what is the problem with you?
Mom, there is no problem! I will not shut my mouth, Mom! You always shush me for this! Mom!
Kaima!
Shut up!
Get up! You want to hit me? Do you want to hit me?
Kaima!
Will you dare hit me? Stop that! And I will tell you I'm the first daughter of this kingdom. Stupid idiot.
Should be brother and sister, not enemies.
I expect you to act as the man that you are. It's not every time you should engage in an argument with your sister. She's a woman and that's a stock in trade. You don't need to patronize her all these times.
Does she recognize my office as the crown prince of this kingdom? Does she even know that I'll become the king soon? Did you see the way she spoke to Anita? Did you see the manner she spoke to Anita? I know how you and Mom fought so hard for her to come back.
You should still have ignored her. Yes, because she cannot make decisions for you as the crown prince of this good kingdom.
See what I'm saying is, Father, if Anita continues like this, once I take over from you as the king of this kingdom, I will banish her. And that's fact. That's fact.
You don't take such hasty decisions as a king. Even your enemies. You are king to your enemies. I expect you at this time to think of how to bring back Anita instead of fighting your sister.
And the sister agree and leave us wonder. Yeah, man, no guinea can
Wait. You mean your parents brought back Anita? And your sister repeated the same thing?
This time she was more mean than before.
But who you marry shouldn't be her problem. Well, I don't just understand all this anyway.
Oh, thank God you said it. Before you know it now, my parents will start supporting her. Start listening to her.
My problem is, I don't even know why she's doing all these things. For her, I wish I can just talk to her.
Oh, you're free. Maybe you should talk some sense into her. She might listen to you, who knows?
But the thing is that I cannot even come to the palace and talk to her because this is a family matter.
Of course, you're part of the family. You can talk to
her. Prince, please, don't just kill me, eh? Just chill, my man. Let's drink, okay? Let's drink.
I don't have appetite to drink.
Cheers,
I don't feel like
cheers
it.
with me. Let's drink. Let's drink.
Asumuga.
Igwe Umuga. Igwe Umuga. Good afternoon.
Sir, let me tell you something. Has anybody ever told you that you're the most beautiful in this kingdom? Huh? Like, you are so beautiful.
See, you always find a way to make me laugh. Eh?
I'm glad about that. But please, why don't you just say yes to my proposal? Huh? See, think about it this way. Igwe Umugai and Lolo Umugai. That would sound nice now.
What's that? Which one is Lolo Umugai? Please.
You calm down. Huh? You're always in a hurry. Eh?
Of course now.
We're not even done talking. See, listen to me. If you say yes to me, I will call my tailor so that he will design your special royal outfit. Huh? You don't deserve to be wearing this. Huh?
See, we are not even dating. Talk less of me being your Lolo. Because I have somewhere I am rushing to.
Asa.
Stop now. Stop all this.
Huh? You're always in a hurry. At least give me your listening ears. Huh?
If I'm coming back, okay?
Asa.
I'm coming back. We'll talk. Don't worry.
Asa. Hey. Make it take it. I'll get you. Huh? Just a matter of time. Just the way I want it. Woo! Hey, my guys, Ezomu guy. How many times will I keep correcting you?
Okay, fine. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Which of the Neka are you talking about? Which of the Neka in this village?
How many Neka do you know now? So
the menu. They would want to sell orange, want to sell ube.
The one that I'm talking about is Mazi Akumna's daughter.
Yo, that girl will not even look your face. Let me tell you, there's this guy she's dating that is living at the city. She won't even look your side. She won't say yes to you.
She won't look at my side, but was she not the person I was talking to this morning before I got here?
That you spoke with her doesn't mean anything. Does it mean she has said yes?
No, sir. Do you know what your problem is?
Which is?
You underestimate me too much. And you know why? Because you're my friend. You don't know my worth and you don't know my value. Don't worry, by the time that I invite you to our royal wedding, maybe that's when you will now know that I'm serious.
Kiss him, man. Which royal wedding? She hasn't even accepted you as a man friend or boyfriend. You're talking about wedding. Have you asked her out? Has she said yes?
Enemy of progress. Enemy of progress, is that you? Huh?
No.
No, so? Look at him, okay. No, so? Look at me. From my head to my toe. Do I look like a king that cannot get what he wants? Eh? Does Nneka have 4 legs that I cannot get her? Eh?
It's the boys. That girl is hard not to crackle. I don't want that to embarrass you. It's not as if I'm not in support of what you want to do. You now support you, I'll follow you anywhere you go to. You are my king.
Exactly. Now you are talking. To Mafa.
It's the boys.
It's again, eh?
It's the boys.
Again, eh?
It's the boys.
Bouncing baby guinea.
Bouncing baby king.
Bouncing baby guinea.
Bouncing baby king.
Oh no.
It's the boys in Waka.
Oh no.
It's the boys in Waka.
Oh no.
Bouncing baby king.
Hey.
Bouncing baby king.
No.
It's the boys in Waka. Look at
that. He's an upright boy. People like him. He carried the matter of the kingdom of our heart. Yeah, wherever he go, yeah, everybody go jolly because I get the vibes.
Onowu?
Enyina, what is that?
The only Onowu who is always there for his people. Onowu, Napunyan.
What's the meaning of this?
Napunyan.
As what? Enyina.
Point of correction, Onowu. King of guys. Eze Umu guy.
So, are you expecting me to call you Eze Umu guy?
Yes.
As what?
As your king.
Is it because I kept silent? Is it because I didn't take action when you went to that secretary?
Onowu, forget that thing. See, the reason I stopped you is because I want you to go and tell your elders that you people need to come and crown me king. I need to be king. At least let me rule. Even if it's for like a week. Before Prince Obiora comes back.
So that has been your plan?
Yes.
Is that why you are dressing like this? So that we, the elders of this kingdom, we crown you king.
Exactly. Yes.
Aro. No, that will be an abomination in this kingdom of Eziama.
Oh no, come, relax. See, I just want to be king for just a short time. Whenever Prince Obiora returns, I will hand over the kingship to him. It's not competition. I just want to rule small. We are not dragging it.
Let's assume that you are joking.
No. No. Oh no, I'm not joking. Crown me. Oh no, look at me. That's a question. Oh no, the way I'm looking at you, I will change you. I will replace you as the prime minister and put my friend Nonso. Because you are getting old. You cannot even work properly. I need the one walking stick in my cabinet. Because I stopped to greet you. I'm going to my shop.
People like him. He carried the matter.
I missed you. And I guess you didn't miss me too.
Oh no, I missed you a lot.
So how's life been with you?
Same old. Just missing you.
So the aviation course you took, how is it going?
I'm still on it.
Well, that reminds me, I have this book that I think would help you in your aviation classes.
Okay.
I'm coming. Let me just quickly go to the Palace Library to get it for you.
Okay.
I'll be right back.
Okay. Don't take long.
Don't miss me much.
Enyinaya. So you have the mind, the guts to stop Onowu on the way and ask him to crown you king anywhere in Kijiblonye?
Yes, Mama. Mama, who is Onowu, if I may ask? Does he have 2 heads? Is it not only 1 head that he has? Mama, this thing that I'm doing is just for us to have a good life, to enjoy ourselves. Don't you understand? It will benefit us.
Enyinaya. Look at my habit. Nakwaya, Ajadroya. Enyinaya, Ajadroya. Don't put us into trouble, Enyinaya.
It's okay. I was just joking, okay? I'm not serious. I was only joking with Ondo. You know?
And you think he will see it as a joke? Eh? He may be thinking he wants to drag the throne with Prince Obiora. Imaro.
Mama, that's not my intention. That is not my intention at all. Besides, Prince Obiora is nowhere to be found. All this thing that I'm doing is to make my people happy. That's all. Yes.
Hey, Nachakananya. Be very, very careful. Be very, very careful. Oh. Hey, na. Trouble. Oh. You are looking for trouble.
Mama, I am bigger than any trouble. Yes. Mama, have you forgotten who I am? Eh? King of boys. Where's Onowu? The same Onowu that I want to dethrone and put on my friend as the next prime minister. What are you talking about? Eh? Nah. Some Onowu. Oh, listen up. Is it the only one head that he has? Mama, listen what I'm doing. It will favor us. I don't know why you are doing it. Support your son.
Hey, Naya. Hey, it's alright. So you will tell your no.
Yes, and up right. People like him. He carried the matter of the kingdom of heart. Yeah, wherever he go, yeah, everybody brother and sister, not enemies. Stop the fighting and the show of power. No proof, man, no guineas. Why can't a brother and a sister agree and leave us one night? Yeah, man, no guinea can associate.
Good morning, my princess.
There is nothing good about today because you've irritated the whole arena. You think you're winning, right? Well, the game has just started.
I don't understand you, my princess.
That's the problem with evil people. They never understand anything. But I think this will help joggle your memory. Oh, I love this. I love to keep memories, by the way. But I hope this helps you joggle your memory. You can scroll through and don't bother deleting them because I have backup.
My princess.
I am not your princess. You should address me as Princess Kaima or the princess, but never your princess.
Princess Kaima, please don't out me like this.
Oh, I'm confused. Forgive me. Why should I keep your secret? Tell me, I don't owe you any allegiance, do I?
I beg you. Don't spill my secrets.
Well, I don't know, because I feel really, my throat is sore and I'm in the very good mood. Just imagine how it will feel if I tell my brother and my mother. And imagine the king. Looking at these pictures, this will make my day.
Please, I beg you.
Please what?
I'll do anything.
Really?
I promise.
That was fast. You would do anything?
Anything.
Okay, that's fine. If you want me to just keep my mouth shut and, make sure this sore throat goes away, take your disgusting self and leave this palace now. Is that too difficult, or should I just call the prince? You will leave, right?
I will.
You will leave? I'm asking you.
I will.
Perfect. It was nice doing business with you. I knew you would understand. Because these pictures are quite bold. And I love them. You look sexy in them.
This is it. It's like a geography, has maps of, more like encyclopedia, but mini encyclopedia. Are you okay?
Yes.
Did my sister say anything to you? Did she come here?
Yes, but I need to go.
Anita, can you talk to me? What do you mean?
No, I need to go. Seriously, I need to go. I'm sorry.
Anita! Anita!
Who is it distorting the peace in this palace? Oh, why are you calling my name?
What did you tell her? What did you tell her, you fool? Stop acting like you don't know what you did. What did you tell Anita?
Oh, that. Brother, come on, say something else. I mean, you're bothering me with that nonsense, please. What?
Hey, stop! Anita! Are you out of your mind? You want to kill her?
You're lucky. You're lucky that father came out. Would have sent you to great beyond.
I forbid you to use those words.
Ask this fool what she told Anita. Ask this demon what she told Anita that made her leave the palace with tears.
Oh my God, a beast just attacked me.
Kaima!
Mom.
What did you tell her?
What did I tell who? Oh, that. Well, I just told her what she needed to hear. Nothing serious.
Allow me to.
No!
Stop!
What is all this?
Mom, there's a conspiracy against me in this palace. I mean, this is unfair.
Kaima, learn to take things easy.
Mom, but you just saw a beast attack me. Now I have to take things easy. Is that fair?
Where is she?
She just left.
She just left and you opened the gate for her?
Sorry, my prince.
Didn't you notice she was crying? She just left. Is that how you walk? Why would you allow her to leave the gate?
Sorry, my prince.
Hi, babe. Of course I miss you more. No, I was having a conversation with my brother. That's why I didn't pick. Naughty you. When do you want to come? 2 days? Oh my God! Yes! My parents will be super excited to have you back. I cannot wait to see you. I have missed you. Oh, my love. No, come on. Mine is bigger. I love you more. So much more than you think. All right, darling. Take care. I can't wait to see you. Kisses.
Should be brother and sister, not enemies. Stop the fighting and the show of power. No?
Mom, guess what? Steve will be coming in 2 days.
Really? That's so sudden.
Yes, Mom. He never wanted to tell me. He wanted to just surprise me.
Wow. That's a good news. Do you know what?
What, Mom?
I am happy to hear this. At least you will get married and leave this palace. Let there be peace. This fight between you and your brother will come to an end.
Mom, I do not like this. If he provokes me, then I'll just get married to my husband and come and reside here so that I can bother him every day. Yes.
You know what? Because I know Steve. He will not allow that.
But Mom, if you know Steve that well, you also know that Steve loves me so much and he will do whatever I tell him to do. Yes.
Steve is not a violent type.
Why are you calling me a troublemaker?
Oh, my daughter didn't say so. You're just saying that.
Oh, but this is not fair. I mean, someone looks for my trouble, I'm the bad person. This is not nice. I was just trying to pay back. I'm not saying.
It's okay. I did call you a violent one.
He's an upright boy, yeah. People like him. He carried the matter of the kingdom of our heart. Yeah, wherever he go, yeah, everybody go jolly. Cause singing, I get the vibes. Yeah, enyina igwe umuga iyo. Enyina igwe umukorobia. Opa igwe the guy. Here comes the king of the boys. No.
Oh, my sunshine. Sunshine. My sunshine. How are you?
Igwe Umugai, I have told you to stop calling me your sunshine. My name is Nneka now.
It's okay. Sorry. Huh? Lolo Mugai.
What's that?
See, I am seeing my wife in you. I'm seeing my future wife in you. When I become the king of Eziama Kingdom, I want you to rule as my queen.
Hey! So, what makes you think that you will become the king of Eziama when Prince Obiora is still alive? Eh?
The same Prince Obiora that has been on exile for 5 years now. Huh? He has abandoned his throne and nobody is saying anything about it. So that is why I want to become the next king. Huh? And I want you to be my lord.
Hey, Igwe Umugai.
Yes.
You are very funny. You're very funny. Anyway, I don't have time for this right now. I want to go to the market to get my cosmetics. So please, just leave me alone.
Just calm down. Relax. Don't worry, I'm going to add some money to you, okay? So that you can buy whatever you want to buy. But before that, I want us to go to Mama Ochomma's bar. Let me spoil you small. Lolo. Calm down. Calm down. Don't worry. I'm still going to give you some money.
So you want to take me out?
I want us to enjoy life together. Don't you understand? Lolo, let's go. Lolo Mugai. You're way fit to go again. Look at you. Calm down. Be a quiet. You know what speed? Hey!
Hey!
Mama Ochomma! That's the reason it is you in this village.
After me, still me.
Still you! I know that if I come here, you will never disappoint me.
Otua, correct!
I know that if I bring my sunshine here, that you will not disappoint me. I never did. See my sunshine. This is the woman that makes my heart beat fast.
Hey, yeah.
Okay. Add some pepper. Baby, eat my money. There's still plenty. There's still plenty. Yes, where this is coming from, there's still plenty there.
Enough plenty there. Calm down. Calm down for Igumo guy.
Mama Ochomma, but look at this one. Step down.
Igumo guy.
It's me. When I become king, after my coronation, all my cabinet members, I'll bring them here so that we'll all celebrate here.
Igumo guy.
I'm your biggest customer.
Hey.
Baby.
Hey.
Hey.
Igumo guy.
See your skin. Mirror. I can literally see myself from your skin. Long. Hey.
Which one is done? Stop saying this. Before people will think we are in a relationship.
Let people think.
Let's go to Wayo. Come on, no down. Or this is what the Igumo guy did like this. Or the Igumo did like this. Magona Bungo Kedo. Come on, no down now.
Are we not compatible?
Good to go. Good.
Awesome. Oh. You're gonna must baby. Tawano. If you still need more, Madam Ochomma will bring more. Eat. It's me or you in this kingdom. You'll be the queen of this village. Okay. Anything you want, we'll get it.
Yeah.
Huh?
Adisi. Igumo guy.
Mama, what is it now? Why are you laughing like this?
You say you found love.
Yes, is that the reason you are laughing like that?
No, because I've never seen you talk to a girl before.
That is because this particular one is very special. My sunshine.
Whose daughter is she?
Her name is Nneka, Azuna's daughter.
Anyway, she's a nice girl.
Bam. Mama, that means you know her very well.
Why the thing is funny is that I know you. You hardly talk to women. I wondered, I'm thinking the kind of courage you summon to talk to this one because you're always a shy boy. A shy Igbo guys. Igbo boys.
Shy? Mama, I'm not shy, yo. I am an expert when it comes to talking to fine women.
Obia.
Yes. See, when I know who crowns me the king, I will make Nneka my queen.
Yeah, it's okay. I know you must be hungry. Let me go and get your food.
No, ma, don't worry. I'm not hungry. Don't worry. Actually, we went to Madam Ochoma's bar. We enjoyed ourselves.
Have you gotten to that?
Yes, sir.
And you didn't bother to get me anything? To buy anything for your mother?
Mama, we went on a date now. Must I always buy? Don't worry, tomorrow I'll buy you 1 plate of isiu.
Oh. Oh, well. Enjoy. No, enjoy your good memory. Hey! It's Omo guy.
Be brother and sister, not enemies. Stop the fighting and the show of power. No.
You're welcome back home, Steve.
Thank you, Your Highness. I mean, I'm grateful. It is a great privilege to be in your midst, Your Highness.
Steve, you're welcome. Just imagine. Look at how touched you're looking. Abroad is really good on you.
No.
Yes. You have to go back. Oh.
Don't I look good? I mean, and I live here.
My daughter, you look good.
Exactly.
Thank you, my queen. I really appreciate you. You know, one of the reasons why I came down to Nigeria is because I want to complete all the necessary arrangements regarding...
You have my consent. Oh, you came down because you are looking for real account for money laundering. Of course, and your drug business. I heard everything. He's a drug dealer.
Excuse me?
Don't worry yourself. Sometimes it gets into that kind of mood. But one thing you should be assured of is that I am part of it. You have my consent. You have our mother's consent. You're good to go.
You're welcome. My in-law to be.
Thank you, Your Highness.
You're welcome.
Mom, I should just tell the maids to get him some refreshments.
Very important.
Yes.
My princess, you know, I'm so happy. You know, I'm also happy that your father have given his approval of our marriage.
And that's why I told you to ignore my brother. I mean, it's just happened.
Your brother? I do not have a problem with him.
You see?
Of course.
You have such a good heart. And that's why I love you.
Of course, you know I love you too, my darling. I'm going to see a business partner, okay? I'll give you a phone call as soon as I get home.
Okay, that's fine.
All right.
Make sure you drive carefully.
Take care of yourself, okay?
Take care of you too. Drive slowly.
Hey. Come here.
Greetings, Prince Arenze.
Did you ask questions?
Questions about what?
Did you make inquiry who you're trying to marry? Or you don't care about character?
What's going on?
Is that how you want to spoil your life? That looks a bit promising? Anyway, today is not for morals. I don't ever want to see you in this palace ever again. If I ever see you here, I swear what I'm going to do to you, you will not expect it. You will regret ever coming to this country in the first place. Now run. Get out. You think I'm playing with you? It's okay. You think I'm playing with you? You think I'm playing with you?
Take it easy.
Get out!
I'll leave. Fine.
Get out!
What did you just do?
What did you do, Arinze?
You're wrong. Why would you talk to him like that? Have you gone insane?
That I guess we're forgetting something here. She ruined my relationship. So what makes you think that I'll keep quiet? I matched her energy. Whatever she told Anita is something I told him. I told him what he needs to know.
You should have waited for Steve to leave before you say whatever you have in your
Well,
life.
I don't have that time. I don't have that time.
Arinze.
Aura for aura.
You think you're winning, right?
Yes, yes.
You think you're winning. But let me tell you something that you need to understand. You see that marriage? It will work. And there is nothing you can do about it.
You're just a child. Once you're done blabbing, you get the hell out of my sight.
Dad, are you listening to him? Are you listening to him? Because you always talk to me. That's fine.
So what are you going to do? Beat me? You fool. Don't tell me that, Mom.
She started it.
She started it. She did.
Are you sure these children are my blood?
Oh, nonsense.
I have completely lost it.
After ruining everything. My love life, you ruined it, and you expect me to stay alive and watch you get married. Come and get married, let me see.
Arinze, did you hear your father? Arinze, did you hear your father?
Mom, please, I don't like
Have
this.
I committed any sin to give birth to you?
You're supposed to be telling her that.
Oh my God!
You're supposed to be telling her that when she started it.
Baby, please, you need to listen to me.
Come on. I didn't do anything to offend you. What have I done wrong?
Babe, I don't think this marriage will work.
Why would you even say something like that?
You saw what your brother did. Your brother threatened me.
Please.
He told me that he's gonna hurt me the moment he sees me anywhere close to you.
Babe, you need to listen to me. My brother doesn't count. Remove him from the equation. I promise he's not going to do anything. Please, baby.
No, at this point, I think you need to sort things out with your brother first. But for now, I'm out.
No. Babe, you cannot say that. You need... Babe, listen to... Hello? Babe, No.
As the heir apparent of the throne, I'm supposed to have a queen by my side. And I found one and she ruined it.
And this is how you're going to get it.
Well, I tried.
Arinze, it's high time you settled with your sister. Every day, quarrel and quarrel and quarrel. You want to send me to an early grave?
Dad, first off, I don't intend to send you to your early grave. As a matter of fact, I respect you. If it wasn't for you, I would have done worse to her. I'm only saying that what she did was wrong, and I had to do what I had to do because I'm not happy. I'm ready for peace. Yes, I'm ready for peace. I don't know, I enjoy this quarrel, by the way. But if she's ready for peace, that's what we need to know, if she's really ready for peace. Because whatever energy she gives me, that is what I'm going to return. So you ask her if she's ready for peace.
I will kill you! I'll kill myself!
What are you doing?
Mom, do not tell me to calm down. No one has the right to talk to me!
That's a gun.
Kaima!
Aura for aura, right?
Kaima, please. Drop the gun. No, please. Kaima.
Father, this fool ruined my relationship. And you expect me to calm down? This is the calmest I will ever be. I will kill him. Mother, don't come close to me. Don't come close to me.
Kaima, please.
Steve just broke the engagement with me, Father. I'll kill him and kill myself.
Sorry about that. That's a gun. Sorry about that.
I can't take this.
About you before you came out. Drop the gun. That is risky. Kaima, that's a gun.
Father, don't touch me.
This is the height of it. I am going to report this to the Cabinet Council.
No. Again.
Lost.
Again. What have I done to you people? What have I done to you, Arinze? Kaima! Have I done anything to you? What is all this? You people want to kill me before my time! Oh! Arinze! Chikaima, you went so far. Yes, you went so far. Pointing a gun at your brother. That is very bad of you.
Really? Mother, you're lucky I didn't kill him. Yes, Mom. What is this? Why are you even talking to me? Please do not aggravate my anger. Leave me alone.
I guess he did what he did because of what you did to his fiancé.
Wow. Do you even know what his fiancé did? But you know what? I don't want to talk about it. Mom, please leave me alone. Leave me. What is this? You see this? You see this? This is war. Because I'm not backing down. I will hit Arinze where it hurts the most.
There will be no war.
Okay.
I reject it. Fine. Chika and Yima, there will be no war.
Mother, it is fire for fire. This will not end. So please leave me be. Destroy my relationship with Steve. As I speak to you, he has stopped taking my calls. And you're telling me there will be no war? Tell him to sleep with his eyes wide open because I will hurt him, Mom. I will hurt him.
Chikaima, and you think I will sit back in this palace and watch both of you kill yourself? Eh?
Ma'am, this is fire for fire. This is war. I do not care what you do. But guard him, Mom, because I will hurt him. Leave me alone, Mother. Leave me alone. As it stands, Steve no longer takes my calls. I've been calling and he's not taking my calls, Mother.
If he is not taking your calls, that means he is not meant for you. If Steve is meant for you, he will call you back. And if he did it, that means you have to forget about him. You see the reason why I said I need to quit this job?
Yeah? You know, sometimes I think you're right. Before Princess Kaima now will release bullet that will hit any of us.
I reject it in Jesus' name. Please don't say something like that now.
You both should reject it. Reject it well. You both should not come and leave this place with me. Every day you want to stay in the palace.
My dear, quitting the job is not the best thing to do. Rather, you stay indoor when you hear such incidents, okay?
You know, sometimes I think the prince is intentionally looking for Kaima's trouble. Because tell me why he would send out the princess fiancé and threaten to kill her.
Was that not the same thing Princess Kaima did to him? Eh? Was she not the one that refuses him getting married to Anita? Eh? Please, you guys should stop this sentiment. I'm not involved in this.
You see, I said it. Anytime you all are here, it's all about gossip.
Ebube, what is it? Why are you disturbing us here? K4.
Ebube is right.
Tell them.
What you guys do is to gossip.
I don't understand. How dare you call us gossip? Are you mad? Don't try this nonsense with me again, oh. Idiot. Get out of my way, let me pass.
See, when you guys are done standing and watching us, you then leave. Please, shut up. Okay.
There's no difference between the girls and prince and the prince.
It's okay. Ebube, what is your problem? Why is it that whenever we're walking, you always do things like a woman?
But you know, I just don't like the way these guys just do
nothing
down
again. You are still do. Please, let's.
No, so you remember when I told you that Neka is going to say yes to me? That has happened though. Why are you touching me like that?
It's obvious. You have malaria typhoid. Malaria typhoid, they make you feel.
What do you mean I have malaria typhoid? So are you saying I'm imagining things now?
Are you waiting for me to tell you? You don't know. You're imagining things, of course. The Neka that I know in this village. Listen, that girl is hard not to crack. She can never stoop too low to your level. No, so she's very hard to get. She can't agree for you.
You don't know me. Also, you don't know my weight. Huh? Okay, what if I tell you that yesterday, both of us went to Mama Ochoma's bar to enjoy ourselves? And she was even rubbing my chest. Eh?
Even at that, does that mean she has agreed for you? It means that she don't tell you yes.
I don't even know why I'm telling you all these things. I don't know. I blame myself. I shouldn't have told you. I would have just left you like that until when you see wedding pictures. Maybe that is when you will not believe that. My guy was even serious about this. Don't worry. I will not tell you anything about this girl again. You will see. Don't worry. You will clear your eye.
Handsome baby king, are you sure about this?
Like you're sure, like she has agreed for you.
You will see, don't worry.
Then in that case, I have no choice than to, you know you're my guy. I always support you.
Now you call.
And I'll be your best man on that day, on the day of your wedding.
Yeah, you know my only way again.
Hey, Sam, now you know.
Hello, Umu guy.
Umu guy in Walker. Igwe Umu guy. Igwe Umu guy.
Don't worry. Very soon, my Lord will be on my side.
Oh, I'm happy for you.
Lord Umu guy.
Lord Umu guy.
So, my Lord, when you get there now, so how...
So, God, my king, is your car ready?
Yes, my king.
Okay, go and make sure the AC is running.
Yes, my king.
My Lord, are you okay? Eh? Are you okay?
Yeah, I think I'm okay.
It's okay. So, like I was saying, when you get there...
Oh!
No, stop! Your Majesty!
Yes! What? Arise! Go and call Arise! Arise! What? Chitaiba! Somebody help! Somebody help! Go and call Arise! Go, Chitaiba!
Please, let us take him to the hospital. No, the hospital! My Lord, the hospital!
Arise!
He's an upright boy.
Hey! Mama. Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine, man.
Indeed, you are beautiful.
Mama, thank you. Thank you.
I was expecting to see you in our house, but you didn't come around.
Why, Mama?
Are you no longer our wife?
Mama, our wife. Me, I don't understand though.
I thought you and my son, you are in love, you are in agreement.
Mama, was that what Naya told you?
Yes.
Mama, no. Nothing is happening between us. We are just friends. We are not in a relationship, Mama. We are not.
Just friends.
We are just friends, Mama.
Okay. Hey, yeah. No problem.
Okay. Mama, it's like you're just coming back from the market.
Let me go to the house.
Okay, no problem.
Take care of yourself.
Mama, let me go.
Oh, go well. Oh.
Alright, thank you, Mama.
Go well. Take care of yourself. I saw we're just friends. But this is not what India told me. India said that they were in love. So just said just friends. But children of nowadays, you can't predict them. So I don't understand him.
But hold on. Are you hiding anything from him?
No, I'm not hiding anything. Just that he refused to go to the hospital. If you just mentioned hospital, he will become aggressive. I don't understand.
Are you serious?
I am telling you the simple fact.
But how will he recover if he has refused to be taken to the medical attention?
Ask me. Ask me, because I don't understand my husband anymore. Just that the doctor used to come to the house to administer some treatment on him. Which you know that will be not enough. It can never be enough.
No.
Yes,
it cannot be
because
enough.
the equipment they have in the hospital, he can never be able to convey it to the house.
To the house. It's alright. I pray, let his faith heal him. He will get soon. He'll get well soon.
I pray so too.
Let me be on my way.
Thank you.
If there is anything, just don't hesitate to let me know.
Please, I will do that, please. But from time to time, you try and come and check on him.
I will.
Please.
I will.
Thank you so much.
I'm worried about the king. Why has he refused to be taken to the hospital?
If you ask me, who will I ask? Please, allow me to focus on my work.
This is the problem I'm having with you. It's the king's health we are talking about. Don't you have empathy at all?
I have, but I just don't want the affairs of the palace to affect my work.
It's going to affect it. Yes, the king is not feeling fine. It's going to affect you and I, including everybody in this palace. First of all, who is going to pay us?
Hey, maybe the prince and the princess might be the cause of his illness.
So the constant fights and quarrel between the prince and the princess is the reason why the king is not feeling fine. God have mercy. I just pray people don't start gossiping about this.
I pray so.
He's an upright boy, yeah. People like him. He carried the matter of the kingdom of our heart, you know. Yeah, wherever he go, yeah, everybody go jolly because
Ma,
Let me. This is what.
hey,
Hey.
Ma, what did you cook this food? Ma, next time, I'm going to give you money to cook onsala soup, my favorite.
Yeah.
But I know whenever I eat your onsala, my brain.
I used to scatter.
You used to
I
scatter.
understand. Please let it not scatter. Eh? Odogu, that reminds me. I thought you said Nneka is your girlfriend.
Girlfriend.
Uh-huh.
That's not what I told you now. I said she's my wife to be, not my girlfriend.
Wife to be. But she said you are not into a relationship. Both of you are not into a relationship.
She said that.
I saw her a few days ago when I was coming back from market. Because it would differ hard raw. That's what she told me.
Yeah, maybe she was not in a good mood. I mean, you know, fair people, they always have mood swing. Especially when there is sun, they're always happy. When there is no sun, they're always sad. So try and meet her when there is sun. That's what I want to hear. She will tell you.
So how will I know? After all, I met her on sudden. Yes, it was by mistake. How will I know that she has a special time to be in the mood?
If next time if you meet her, mind your business. Go your way, she go her way.
I'll go interfere next time.
Mama? Okay. I want to napkin you more. As the incoming king, I should be eating 4 meals, not 2.
I hear you.
Mama, don't give you. Mama, don't give you. Hey! Sunshine! 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 Wait!
Igwe Umugai. What is it? What is it?
Asa Igwe Umugai. Yeah, they will kiss him on my.
Biko, I have told you already. Stop calling me that name. My name is Nneka now.
Ne baby, relax now. See, I was actually on my way to your house before I saw you here.
So if we did not meet here, you would have come to my house? To come and do what?
Asam, there is nothing wrong with it now. Are you not my woman again?
There's everything wrong with it. Everything is wrong with it. You can't just come to my house.
I am sorry. Ndo.
Wait. Meanwhile, what is your purpose of coming to my house?
I want to come and see my woman now. That is why I wanted to come. That reminds me. My mother said she saw you and you said that we are not dating. Why now?
So, because you took me to Madam Ochoma's bar.
Yes, we jolly together.
So eat and drink. That means I'm your girlfriend.
Yes, now you're rubbing my stomach. Have you forgotten?
You don't mean it.
You spent money now. Awesome. I will do more for you.
Hey.
That's how daddy.
Igwe Umugai.
Baby.
Igwe Umugai.
Baby, yo.
Biko happen.
Hey.
Leave me this evening, no.
Sorry.
Leave me this evening.
Sorry.
I'm rushing to somewhere right now. And it's important.
It's okay.
Leave me alone.
Hey! Asamoviano now.
What is it again now?
Hey, kiss your husband to be now.
I should kiss you. Close your eyes.
I open my eyes.
Close your eyes.
Hey! Asam, wait now. Wait for me.
Look, Obiora, I will not call you again concerning this issue. If you like, stay in abroad until someone takes the throne that belongs to you.
Oh no, I will come back unexpected. Just expect.
Why unexpected? Why unexpected, Obiora? Why not tell me the particular day that you will return?
Relax, oh no. Don't be in a hurry. We have to take things easy in this life.
I should relax.
No.
Okay.
Give me that food.
No
Let me talk to him. Obiora, Balube, Asanke Balube. Balube the mango, Mafia. Eh? Obiora, see, how can you keep us? And you expect us, you tell us you will come today, you will come tomorrow, you will come next tomorrow, and we will not see you. And you see, for how many years? For complete 5 good years, the throne of our fathers has been empty. Nobody is sitting on it.
I understand how you feel. Just bear with me, please. I will be back home soon.
You'll be home soon. Give us a date. It's not a kind of soon. It's no date. Give us a date. Let us know when you are coming so that we know what we are doing.
Anyway, I will update you all.
It's update. It's update. See, listen, Obiora, let me tell you, Oburu Beni in the cage atoka. If we wait for you, we did not see you, we'll crown another person the king.
I will not call him again.
For what?
If he like, let him be there for 100 years.
If, however he likes. See, the only problem I have is just that thing. If not, because the people are with him. This boy, do you know that if money enters this boy's hand, this boy will buy off everybody and he will become the king of this place.
See how he's parading the whole village as a new king. What if the gods decide to speak on that and give an order to crown him king?
Oh no, before that thing will happen, I suggest we do something. Why not let us declare you, crown you king, then why become how do you see that?
Now people might not believe it. People will not support us.
My ancestors, I come before thee to ask for your guidance and protection. We appreciate everything that you're doing for our kingdom. And I pray for your protection. For those doing business, the men, let it be successful. For those looking for children, please give them children. For those that are not married, give them their husbands. You shall be well with us in Eke. You shall be well with us in Ori. You shall be well with us in Afo. You shall be well with us in Ampo. Because I know that you keep protecting us just as you always do. I just want to appreciate you for everything.
What nonsense? Enough is enough. How can it be here? Why is it that every morning you be coming here to disturb our ancestors? Calling them out for nothing. Why? You are the one I should be asking. Are you okay? Are you okay?
Mama, I am praying to the ancestors. Why are you behaving like this now?
You're praying to which ancestors? See, no. It is acceptable that you are dressing as a prince. Dress like as a prince anyhow you want. Since the others are seeing you and they don't want to talk. But me, I can't sit back and watch you be doing this.
Mama, stop it now.
Stop what?
You're looking for my trouble.
Stop.
You're looking for my trouble.
Looking for your trouble?
Mama, you're looking for my trouble.
This
is not. Mama, what is the problem? Mama,
this will stop. It will make you to stop. It will make you to stop.
Mama,
what is wrong with you?
You just spoiled my prayer, so.
What is wrong with you?
You just spoiled my prayer.
Useless prayer. Useless prayers. Nonsense. Just stop. Useless prayer. We don't go for money. No go for Oji. Useless boy. Thank you for choker.
Boys, bouncing, baby king. You go, my boys.
Hey, Nayaginekwa, what is it?
No, sir, I'm not happy.
Johnny, you're not happy. What happened?
You know my mother?
What did she do this time?
She spoiled my prayers that I was making to the ancestors this morning.
Is it because of that your face is looking like this? That you have so much anger on your face?
Yes, that's big enough to make me this angry.
Your mother was talking about you, the woman that bore you in her womb, carried you for 9 months.
See, I was making a prayers to protect our kingdom. She just came and spilled the drink.
Listen, the gods are wise.
What if the ghosts get angry?
Huh?
Yes!
I don't think so. They will not get angry, you know why? Because you've always been doing the needful for the gods all this while. That you didn't do to their own, or probably you didn't do it well, does not mean the gods will be angry. They will understand. It came there before, easy to compliment the one you did in today. The gods will understand, they are wise.
I'm still not happy, you know, so.
Cheer up, man. Okay? Okay, fine. Alpha, what about Neka?
What about that?
Call in Neka, call your boss Sugalo. Let her come and massage you, spend some quality time with you. Trust me, your spirit will be lifted after she's done with you. You'll be fine.
Hey! The great Iroko has fallen.
If we go to the hospital and take care of yourself. If you refuse to go to the hospital, just look at me now. Just look at me now. Oh. Arisa is not okay. Your father is gone. My husband is gone. Oh, husband of my youth. Husband of my youth. You did this. Oh, oh, why you? Arisa, your father is gone. Your father is gone. My husband is gone.
I never knew the king will not recover from the illness. Yes, even though when I visited in his room, when I saw his condition, I wept.
Are you serious?
Yes.
At least his death will make the prince and the princess change for good. They will make peace with each other.
Princess Kaima is a stubborn person. He might not like to make peace with Prince Arinze.
Are you saying his death, that is the death of the king, will make them continue to fight with each other?
Well,
after his death?
I don't know, I'm just saying it's left for the mother to reconcile the two of them and make peace between them. But if they fail, we have no choice than the elders to intervene in their matter. That's it. So let's go.
Okay.
It's okay.
The death of the king is so painful. No one can rule us like him.
He is a peaceful king who has the affairs of his people at heart.
Who knows how Prince Arinze's reign will be?
Don't say that to their own hearing before he sacks you.
But it's true. Prince Arinze cannot rule the people like his father. I don't even think if he knows the rules of the tradition.
Who told you that? He has been in this kingdom since childhood, so he should know.
I doubt it. I doubt it if he knows anything about the tradition. Is it the time he is busy fighting with Princess Kaima? When?
Well, that's his business. I pray he rules us well and not brutal.
I must say, the death of the king is so annoying. How I wish he can just wake up.
I greet you all leaders. I present Nicola.
In Igbo land, they said, Ojeze, Yeze Naka.
Okay. Nke a gbakwara etu. Ọ gbaziri agbazi. Ise. Ọ gịnị dị?
Nzukọ anyị abakwara.
O zuru ezu. Ngwanụ.
Oya. Gabara anyị o. Werenu.
Mma iwerenu. Otu aka ọ dị. Oya.
A na-atọ ọjị, ihe na-abanye.
As you all know, I invited all of you here to inform you about the coronation of Prince Arinze as the new king of Obodoko Kingdom. After the burial of our late king comes the coronation of Prince Arinze as the new king of Obodoko Kingdom in 4 market days.
Oh no. Not just the prince only. The queen and the princess to be there for them to get this information.
Yes, no. And the queen is aware.
She may not be aware because she may not remember anything. You know, after the death of her late husband, our king, King Olise, she has been thinking of many things. She may not be aware.
All of you, you are right. I have all of them have to be present to witness the coronation of Prince Arinze. So that is it. Arinze, according to the tradition of Obodoko Kingdom, once the Igwe is dead and is buried, you'll be crowned in 4 market days. That's why we're here to inform you.
He is not the heir apparent to the throne.
What?
I don't understand.
I received the signal last night. The gods have not chosen him to sit on that throne.
Huh? Oh, no, please, I don't understand. Please, what is going on?
Soon, the rightful heir to the throne shall be made known to you by the gods.
What do you mean the gods will make known the rightful person? What are we saying? I am the rightful heir. This is my throne.
The gods have spoken.
It's a lie. That's a white woman again. What is going on here?
What is going on here?
What is going on here?
How will I know what is
No, make me. What is going on?
My queen, how will I know?
I don't understand if Ezemo has been bribed or what. What is going on?
They better don't dare me. They better don't dare me. They shouldn't even think of taking what belongs to me, what rightfully belongs to me.
It's over my dead body. That will never happen.
I mean, this is funny. Is this how they plot to take what rightfully belongs to this family?
No, they should go ahead. If I don't set this kingdom ablaze, then no, you're not talking to me.
These people are trying to touch the tiger's tail. Who knows whom they want to give this throne to?
I will tell them that I'm a retired madman. Let them dare take what rightfully belongs to me. They must be raving mad.
At this point, these elders are getting on my last nerve. They are wicked people. Can you imagine? I think they've plotted with the Ezemo to say the rubbish he did. But you know what, Mom? You don't have to worry. I am here for you. I'm ready to face them.
Whoever they've chosen to come, let him come. And I promise, Mom, the minute he steps his useless foot into this palace, I'll shoot him on sight.
And that is the reason both of you should come together and fight. Resolve whatever issue you are having. Stand firm. Fight for this kingship. Because if they dare take this throne away from us, they definitely will become commoners.
Mom, relax yourself. I just told you. Henceforth, Kaima, I promise. I'll join hands with my brother. Yes. And we, together, will fight the common enemy and take what rightfully belongs to us.
Arinze, what is your take on this?
Well, this is good. I mean, this feels good. I must say I'm proud of you. And I'm equally sorry for everything that's been happening. I mean, fighting like cat and dog has not done us any good. Instead, it has set us apart. It has delayed us from the things that we are supposed to have achieved before now. So together, let's team together to fight these people. Fight them with love. Togetherness, we can achieve anything we set our mind to achieve.
Hey, I am so happy now. And I believe your father will be very happy wherever he is.
Mom, read my lips. No one dares. No one dares to take what rightfully belongs to me. The throne will not leave this family. Never. Not even under my watch. What are you doing here?
My prince, we came to see you people and explain things to you.
If you know the way you both got in here, turn around and leave the same route.
Calm down, my princess. We mean no harm. We know that you people have been angry about what the Immerse said. That's why we are here. To tell you everything. The gods of our land cannot lie. The message is from them. So accept it.
Are you deaf? Did you hear what she said? Or you want me to tell you myself? Did you hear when she said, get out? Did you hear that? Don't worry, I will tell you myself. Be patient, I'll be right back. Okay?
My prince, it has not gotten to that.
Got into what? I just gave you a warning. Leave now. Don't say I didn't warn you.
Hey, my prince! No, come here. Come here, fools! Ebube.
So, yes, my prince.
If I ever see these fools in this palace again, I will have your head on a platter.
Yes, my prince.
Rubbish.
What is it? Eh? Can somebody talk to me? Why are you running as if masquerade is after you?
I know, say. So if we did not run, Prince Arinze would have shot us with that gun. Hi. Ichi. So this is the reason Ezemo said he can never be our king. Who knows? If we cry him king, what will happen in this kingdom? Hey, even the princess is in support of him. I thought both of them doesn't move together. Eh? Maybe they have reconciled because of the throne. Who knows? Onyemazi, that boy has gone crazy. Yes, he has gone crazy.
You mean Prince Arinze chase you with a gun in the palace?
Oh no, we need to be there. See how that boy embarrassed us. Both of them embarrassed us. Hey, no wonder Ezemo said he cannot be the king.
Well, the gods said it, not Ezemo. But why would they display such character?
Oh no, I will never in my life visit that palace again until those people come back to their senses. Okay?
Anyway, I will talk to Queen Amanda about it.
No, you better do.
You
better do.
Hey, Queen Amanda, I can't believe you are in support of the character displayed by the prince and princess towards the elders out there.
Oh no. Can I ask you a question?
Go ahead.
If it were to be you, your son, that the gods suddenly decides to take away the kingship that belongs to him, what will you do?
If it is the will of the gods, so be it.
And that will I will not take. My children and I will not take such will from your gods. We are going to see the end of this matter. Yes. What kind of gods will come and take what belong to this family? And you expect me to keep quiet? That will be over my dead body.
Queen Amanda, no one is dragging that seat with him. Yes, we have to investigate by the gods. If it is him, fine. But if not, there's nothing we can do.
Oh no.
Queen.
I am done with this conversation. Have a nice day. Hey, so you are this quiet. I hope all is well.
Nothing, Mama. Nothing, I'm fine.
This is unlike you. It's nothing. Huh?
Mama, the thing that is bothering me right now is, you see this kingdom? The people of Asiama, they are in God's hands.
Of course.
Because I see no reason why Onowu and those elders has refused to crown me king of this kingdom. Huh? You see this kingdom having a king, it's going to be hard. The way I'm seeing it, it's going to be very, very, very hard.
Just Butu. Don't tell me you are aspiring to be a king while Prince Obiora is still alive.
So where is Obiora, Mama? Where is Obiora? Or is Obiora going to be ruling us from abroad? He should come back.
No. You are treading on a dangerous path. Because anything that concerns the affairs of this community, please, remove it out of your life.
Mama.
Please.
Mama. You see the affairs of this community, it's my major concern.
Hey!
The affairs of my people, it concerns me a lot. I care about my people.
Obiora, I am begging you, please. Whatever that concerns this community, please take yourself out of it. Biko. Biko.
Mama.
Okay.
Mama, you don't need to bother yourself, okay? Because there's nothing that is going to happen. But I would leave you with this. You see this kingdom? They must crown me king, whether they like it or not.
Hey!
You see me in there? You go, my boys. Mabreri ezenoboda. There's nothing they can do about it. It's already written in the stars. I will be king. And there's nothing anybody can do about it. Obiora. Where is Obiora? 5 years and counting. Without a king. And you want me to fold my hands and sit and watch them? Never.
Hey!
Oh, my dead body.
Oh no. As Nano Bajoso. About oh no, since Prince Obiora have refused to come back, I suggest we crown Enyinia the king. Yes.
Icho, what are you saying? Look, Enyinia doesn't have a royal blood running in his vein.
Oh no, this is not a matter of royal blood. What we are talking about, we need a king. The throne of our father cannot be empty for complete 5 years, Arise. And you're telling me about royal blood. I have spoken to you to fill in that gap. Oh no, we Joe. I'll talk to you. Okay, this do the you say, I don't know you just Shajoga.
Did you consult the gods? Asking the gods.
Where were they when they left that throne empty for complete 5 years? Can we stay like sheep without shepherd? Oh no, oh no. There's something I told you in here. Oh no, I'll continue to say it again. Ejuba atoka. Man oburu beni ne keji atoka.
I understand what you are saying. Let us exercise some patience. Let us follow the tradition and custom of this land. Please.
Oh no, if I tell you that I understand anything you are saying, I will be lying. Oh no, is there something that you know that you are not telling me? Because I don't know why you should be protecting this boy. Every time we say this, you say, after you say, what is that English that he used to use? He say update. Who is he updating? Is it because we are in the village? Look at, if he doesn't want to come out, he's the only person that has been going to abroad. My brother Chukwe Bukada, we all know he's in abroad. That was why he came back and made me look nice. Oh no, from what you are saying, I'm looking at you somehow. Is there something I don't know that you are not telling me?
I don't collect bribe.
Oh no, it's not about bribe. How can you, under your watch, and our throne will be empty for complete 5 years without nobody sitting on that throne?
Hey, you got this. You got this.
You got this.
Oh no, You see, I told you people. Huh? I told you that from today henceforth, that I will bring good tidings to the people of Eziama.
He say,
prosperity and riches we shall have. I got did man again.
He say,
did I man ori?
He say,
did I man afọ?
He say,
did I man ampo?
He say, oh, very nekeji atoka.
Ibumu guy, we never knew that you can rule this kingdom. Yeah. We are here wasting our time waiting for Obiora.
It's not your fault.
And there is this thing I used to hear from his loyalists, that he is a kingly and priestly people. And God has proven it.
Hey, Olio. That does not mean that if Obiara comes back, I will not hand over this to him. You know, all this thing belongs to him.
Ibu Mogai, listen to me. The gods of Eziama Kingdom gave us an order and we followed it. So, don't panic. Continue to lead this kingdom of Eziama.
Are you sure?
I could not assume. He got you carrying car.
Oh, Mama. What is it now?
Hey, what kind of sleep is this? It's not like you.
Mama, what is wrong with you now? You just interrupted my beautiful dream right now. I was sleeping when I was crowned the king of Eziama Kingdom.
Huh? Hey! This is madness. So, Inaya, it has gotten to this. Huh?
Mama, it has not gotten to anything. Mama, you need to see the way I am dressed, looking so handsome on the king's attire. Yes. Mama, if you see me, you spend me money. Very handsome.
Very handsome. Eh? So, it has gotten to this, okay? Eh? Hey, be very, very careful. Very, very careful before the others will gather for you. I've told you, I'm begging you. What is all this?
Mama, please. Mama, I want to beg you for something. Next time, when I'm sleeping, don't near me. Don't come close to me. Just do as if you don't know me. Even though you're my mother, eh? Mama, please, don't, whenever I'm sleeping, just leave me. Eh?
Oh, you damn man. Anyway, I said let me come and wake you because you are behaving like somebody that came back from psychiatry. Eh?
Mama, please, I don't want to hear your voice in my dream. Just go, I'm fine. Hey. Don't know I'm going to connect back to this dream now.
Keep dreaming. Joseph, Allah, keep dreaming.
Kaima,
Mother,
I am proud of you, my daughter. Do you know I am very happy the way you paid Onowu unscheduled visits. At least to let him understand that we know all their plans.
Don't mind him. You need to have seen his face. He was super surprised. And he was just blabbing his mouth. And he came up with, oh, he did not know anything about it. He denied ever having an idea about it.
Can you imagine? Something the gods could not reveal while your father was still alive. It's now that your father is gone that the gods will just... You see those people, eh? I sense conspiracy.
Mother, leave them to me. They have met their match. See, I am just praying. I am praying and waiting for whoever they have said they want to crown king. Let the person mistakenly set his foot into this palace. Mother, I will paralyze him and make sure I castrate him for the rest of his life.
Trust my daughter. I trust you.
Let him come.
What kind of conspiracy is this?
I welcome you all, elders of Oboduku Kingdom. Please, here is the cooler.
Hello? I'm not happy. I'm not happy. I'm not happy.
It's all right. Let's go straight to the point. Since the Ezemo declared that Prince Arinze cannot be the king of Oboduku Kingdom, the royal household has been angry. And it's really bothering me.
Oh no. Don't let that bother you. We are not guilty of that.
No. Echefula is right. If they doubt, then they should meet Ezemo for confirmation.
That is the one reason I invited all of you here. At least let two persons and myself to go there and confirm. Let's know who is this person that will sit on the throne of Oboduku Kingdom.
Oh no. Are you sure Ezemo is going to tell us who is to sit on the throne?
Sure, why not? For Ezemo to consult the God, he has seen who will sit on the throne. Yes. So,
my elders, Onowu is right. At least let us pay Ezemo a visit. Let him tell us. Let him reveal it to us. At least it will solve this matter once and for all.
On that note, let's start going there right away.
Let's go.
Ezemo, we have come to find out who you said is the heir apparent to the throne of the Oboduku Kingdom. Please, don't be offended.
I only speak when the gods direct.
Ezemo, please, review this man so that we may know him.
We don't know this person as a king of Oboduku Kingdom. And he's really causing havoc in our kingdom. Please review this person.
Yes, Eki, Mama, Sekede. Otro Popo. Obo. India. That is the heir apparent to the throne.
Ezemo, we've not seen this face before. We've not. Since the origin of this creation of the world, we've not seen him. Who is he?
Go and find him. Look for him and you will find him.
It's alright, Ezemo. Shall take our leave. Edas, let's go.
But wait, oh. This is serious. Who could be that man?
Ijokwanem Joni. We never see him in this village. We don't know who the boy is.
We don't even have such boy in this village. Because if we do, we would have seen him before now.
Remember, Ezemo said we must find him. He don't even tell us where to find him.
We need to find him. We really need to find him because we need to crown a king in this village in the next 4 market days.
Matter of 4 days. Let's go.
My queen, you know I am the Onowu of this great kingdom. I am very close to the late king, your husband. There is no how I will see something that will hurt this family and I will allow it. No, it's not possible. Now, I was with Ezemo and he consulted the gods. It was revealed that the kingship of this great kingdom is not leaving this family. The heir apparent to the throne of this kingdom is a member of this family, but not Arinze.
What are you saying? What are you saying? What are you saying? Are you out of your mind? What are you saying?
When Ezemo consulted the gods, the young man was revealed.
What's the name of that young man?
What the gods are doing is for your own good. If you dare sit on that throne, you will die. The heir apparent to the throne of this kingdom, as chosen by the gods and revealed, his name is Enyinaya. He currently resides in Eziama Kingdom. He is a product of this royal household. The gods have spoken and the gods do not lie.
Mother.
What the hell?
The fathers have an affair. I say it. Mother, you're not saying anything.
Like, what's going on?
Easy now. Don't hit me. Hi. No, sorry, oh. Hey. So you make Prince Arinze is not the heir apparent to the throne? After so many years of being the crown prince.
Hey. But wait though. Why didn't the Ezemo reveal this all this while?
Hey, maybe he was waiting for the right time to announce it to the people. And you know, the Ezemo is not meant to speak except the gods direct him to. So, I feel pity for them. After all these years.
Hi. My dear, who are you to question the will of the gods? It is the wish of the gods, not even you can question it. Hi. Jesus. And the one that even sweets me most is that one called Princess Kaima. She's not even the real princess. She's an ordinary maid. My gods, never that she wants to.
It's not my fault. That will not concern me. That is not my business. My own is that anybody that will be the next king should be a nice person. It should not be wicked like Mr. And again, you see my salary. No one should joke with me with my salary. Once the time is due, they should give me my salary.
My Chioma, go.
Before uncle, who don't like money?
Nine. Once you're done, please go back to your position. I'm out.
Hi, my love. And I was actually eyeing the prince. So, hi. You need to see the way I was so pained and angry the day that one called them. Anita came to see the prince. I feel like to stab her. Are you wish prince? Are you wish prince? You see, Maga can't see him now. Are you wish prince with this your body? With this your smelling body? Come on, share that for. Oh no, a flavor. I am prince. A flavor, I know I am prince.
Please, I'm going. Please, I'm going. I'll confess, please. I'm going, please.
Oh no.
My queen.
We are so sorry for everything. The wrong accusation on you and the elders. We apologize. Ezemo revealed everything to us. He has showed us the boy. Please, we are sorry.
I'm not angry. It's okay.
Thank you so much. But the problem now is, how do we get this boy? Because from what he said, the boy is not living in this community. So how to get to him is where the problem lies.
I am worried as well. But maybe we could consult the Ezemo to take us to his house. Maybe we can find him there.
Yeah. I think that's the best idea. You just have to beg Ezemo to show us his address.
What if the Ezemo doesn't know his address?
Of course he knows. It's already been revealed to him. And anything we have to do it fast. We have to do it now. There's no time.
Greetings, my queen. Greetings, my prince. My queen, a lady is here to see you.
Really?
Yes.
Let her in.
Yes, my queen.
So, no, I don't know how you feel about it. Greetings, my queen. Amanda, I got you. My greetings.
Elizabeth! Wow! Where have you been?
Amanda, I've been at Medjugorje with my children. What this is.
Good to have you. You are welcome.
Thank you. Thank you. He's chasing me. He's here. He's chasing me. The king. He's here. He's there. Are you not seeing him? Are you not seeing him?
Elizabeth, what is the problem with you?
I have to come and confess. I'm sorry. I'll confess, please. I'll confess. Yes, I'll confess.
Confess what?
Queen Amanda, it was at the hospital when you were about to give birth to your son. Hi.
What is it? Why did you call me out here?
Elizabeth, I need your help. I really need your help this time around. Please, help me.
What is the problem?
My husband. He has threatened to divorce me and chase me back to my father's house if I give birth to a female child. And you and I know, from the scan results, I'm going to give birth to a female child. And I don't want to lose my home, please.
But wait, your husband actually said that to you?
It was very mean when he said that. It was not joking. It was very, very mean. You know you're the only one that can save my marriage. You know how close we've been. We've been friends right from childhood.
Your voice down.
So please help me. You're my very good friend. I don't have any other friend, you know.
But wait, how can your husband be that mean? To the point of threatening to sending you away if you give birth to a female child?
I don't know.
Okay, now listen. See, there's this other patient in the other ward. She's carrying a twin boy. From her scan result, she's carrying a twin boy. So if she gives birth, I'm going to exchange her baby with your own. Yes.
Are you serious?
I'm doing this because we are friends.
My friend, thank you very much. I will really be grateful if you do this for me. Thank you. My friend, thank you very much.
It's okay. Bring your phone. Go. So that they won't see us. Go. How are you feeling?
I'm fine.
See, whatever happened here today remains here, okay? It is done.
Oh, thank you very much. This means a lot to me. Thank you, my very good friend.
See, actually, my conscience is really disturbing me, but I just have to do it because of you. I cannot be alive and watch your marriage crumble.
Thank you. It's right to have a friend like you. I'm very grateful. And I promise you, I will never take this for granted. God will bless you. Thank you, my friend, for saving my marriage and my home. Thank you.
You don't have to cry. Everything is fine, okay? How are you feeling? You're good, are you?
I'm fine.
You're fine. Your baby is fine. Your baby boy is fine.
And let me look like the father.
Let me go and take care of the other nurse.
Thank you. Bye. Such a good friend.
That means Ezemo was right. Yes.
My friend, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
What? I don't understand anything. You did what?
Your own is different. She's not your biological mother. Your own mother is different. Elizabeth, you did this to me? Hey! Because of our land. I'm sorry, Queen Amanda, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, it's because your husband was not king that time. If he was king, I wouldn't have done that. I'm so sorry.
Hi.
Hey! Elizabeth! What?
Please, I am looking for a particular woman.
Okay, ma'am.
Angulika Eze. Please.
Angulika Eze.
How can I find her, please?
Ma, I don't know the one you're talking about.
She's tall. Maybe a bit taller than you, dark in complexion. Not really dark. You know, she's not too dark, just like me. And she should be of my age too.
Ma, the only Angulika Eze I know is the mother of Igwe Umugai.
Igwe Omo guys?
Yes, ma'am.
I don't know the Igwe Omo guys. It is the Angolika that I'm looking for. Please, can you help, take me to her? Let me see her. Maybe she's the one I'm looking for. Please, help me.
Hope there is no problem, ma'am.
There is no problem.
Ma, I would have loved to take you there, but as you can see, I'm in a hurry.
My sister, please, help me. Please, I beg you. God will bless you, please, if you help me. Please, just enter the car and help us, please. Just follow the other side, or follow like this. Follow the other side. Please. Come in, I beg. No problem at all.
Ma, that is Anwulika's son. Yes, ma, that is him. Yes.
Okay, please.
Hey, Naya. Hey, Naya. Wait. Ma, that is her son.
Hope no problem.
Actually, I was on my way to the market when she met me on the way. She said I should take her to your house. So.
To my house?
My son. I am your mother's friend. Yes, a very good friend of hers.
My mother's friend?
That was what she told me.
It's just that it's been long we've not seen. Please, I want to see her. Take us to her.
I hope no problem.
No problem at all. No problem.
Please, get inside the car. Let us go.
Huh?
Please, I have to go now. I'm in a hurry.
You're not coming with us?
No.
Bye-bye. God bless you, God will bless you. Yes, thank you very much.
I hope you guys are not kidnappers.
Don't worry. Get inside the car. Let us go and see your mother, please. Get inside.
Why are you shouting my name like
Mama,
that? What?
I met some people on my way to my shop. So they said they wanted to see you. That is the reason I brought them here, to know what the problem is.
Elisa, what are you doing here, Elisa?
Are you supposed to ask? Seeing me alone, don't you know why I'm here?
Elisa, what are you doing here? What are you doing here?
Why will I not come? I can no longer hide the truth.
What's you coming? What's you coming here?
Leave me alone. I cannot hide the truth again. This is the woman I swapped her son with your daughter.
Mama, did I hear son?
Yes. Tell him the truth.
Mama, I am the only son living in this house. So which son is she talking about?
She's Elisa. You are my son.
Okay.
Tell him the truth. He's not asking you if I'm Elisa or not.
Mama, talk now.
You are my son, but I'm not your biological mother.
What? Mama, you knew this and you've been giving it away from me all these years. So who is my mother now?
Woman, first of all, on your knees. First! Yes, my queen. So you are the devil that took my son away from me all this while? Eh? Shut up your mouth! Can you imagine the kind of place you kept my son since his birth? The heir apparent to the throne of Obodogu? Eh? You must pay for this. Both of you must surely pay for this. Yes!
Did I hear you say heir apparent?
Yes, my son. You are the crown prince of Oboduku Kingdom.
Prince! Mother!
Son, hey. You are welcome. I am taking you home.
Mama, you're not church since.
Where is that there number? Don't even get! Who is that there number? Who is? Yes, officers. Take them away. Yes! Both of them, take them away.
Listen to me. You both are under arrest for illegal adoption and conspiracy. For your own good, I will advise you remain silent for whatever you say or do will be used against you in the court of law.
Move! Move! Come and see how this.
I said move!
I said move!
Madam, move before I go back to you. I said move! Move! You want me to push? I will push you. I said move!
My son, I came to confess you to Oboduku Kingdom so that you will take your rightful place. Let's go home. Oh no.
People like him. He carried the matter of the kingdom of our heart. Yeah, wherever he go, yeah, everybody go jolly because singing I get the vibes. Yeah, and you know you won't guy.
My son, you're welcome. The one chosen by the gods to occupy the throne of our ancestors. You may know. In the name of our ancestors, and by the powers conferred on me by the gods of our land, and as a matter of urgency, I hereby crown you the Buku II of Oboduku Kingdom. Eke, Oye, Afo, Nkwo.
Never you gone! Never you gone! Never you gone! Never you gone! I must confess I am very happy to sit on this great throne of Oboduku Kingdom. And I stand here today to promise you all that our people shall know no sorrow. And my brother, Arinze, together we shall rule this kingdom as one.
Congratulations, my brother. I'm happy for you.
My people!
Wherever he go, yeah, everybody go jolly because singing I get the vibes. Yeah, and you know you won't guy. Here comes the king of the boys. No, if you have one bottle for
Yeah. Where are you running to? When I was coming like this, I saw you just rushing as if something. What is chasing you?
I'm looking for Enina.
Which Enina are you talking about?
Igwe Umugai now. You know him now.
Igwe Umugai.
Do you know where he is?
Their people has come to take him to Boduku Kingdom. He's not from this very town. His mother, Angoleka, stole him when they gave birth to him.
Hey!
Their people, his mother, the queen of the Oboduku Kingdom, came to this place and they took Enyina away to his this. And as a matter of fact, they said that he's the heir apparent to the throne. As I'm talking to you now, the Enyina has been crowned the king of Oboduku.
Hey!
Why are you shouting? Okay! Okay! You think I did not hear everything? He was begging you. He will learn to accept a man, whether he has anything or not. Look at you. By now you would have been a lolo. Look at how you lost everything. Yeah. I'm looking for a second. I'm looking for a second wife. Can you? Yeah. Look at her. Hey, Kerry, you better not talk. You better not cage your talker. Anyone who begs your talker. Mama, you better not cage your talker. I can't want time. Eh? I told you.
People like him. He carried the matter of the kingdom of our heart. Yeah, wherever he go, yeah, everybody go jolly because I get the vibes. Yeah, Enyina igwe umugai yo. Enyina igwe umukorobia. Opa igwe ndegay. Here comes the king of the boys.